Hello. That boy, you need coffee on the way home. Damn. I suck at taking decisions this early. I kind of want coffee. Hmm. If I think I do want coffee, but not too large. Last time I kind of had like an anxiety attack after I drink all that coffee. Shit had me like fucking dying to go use the restroom. I think I had to leave stream because I fucking had to go use the restroom, and like it was just like tragic from there. Thank you, doll. Euro. Thank you so much. Gang, I got a coffee on the way now. All right, let me put some music. Let's try to see, guys. Oh, wait, hold up. 2024. I'm half alive. Half alive. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, shit. Look what I got coming. Oof, y'all ain't seen that. GJ about to pop. I saw GJ already popped, kind of at the one. I was gonna send a signal at 174 100 area, and then it went to major drawdown. And then recently, I looked at it and I saw it like start popping. I was like, "What? Story of my life. Coulda, shoulda, woulda." Wait, is there music on the background? No, there's not. Right, T. Alrighty. Good morning, boys. This is like more good afternoon for you guys, no? Or is this morning for you guys? Still. Jesus Christ, look how beautiful this price action was on GG. Wow. Wow. Alright, what to do, Barnes? How's everything, Barnes? Let me go to the Discord. I'll do this later. Whoa, what was that? She told me something pretty cool. Update my username. Update your username, Dr. Page, and we are asking for everyone to update their unique username for discrimination. I'll do that later. Gold wanted to pop. Let me send to the chat everybody that I'm live. When I send to everybody I'm live, I'll do some chart breakdowns and let's see if we can actually catch something for New York session. What's back, Bulls? The Bulls are back in the house, boys. I'm glad that we are all, well, not we are all, but I'm pretty sure I got the ones who I need in here. What am I gonna do? 10 people watching. 10 people watching, we got 3 likes. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna start with that. Alright, Discord. At everyone. We are live for New York session. All right, back to the charts, boys. Let's look at our motherboard. We got GJ on us. Jay-Z Pips, what it do, Jay-Z? So I'm gonna put the hourly candlestick chart. So this is the 8 hour. This is the 7, 6, 5, 4. This was London Open. This was pre-London. This was an hour before pre-London. So an hour before pre-London, we reached ultimate resistance, past ultimate resistance, wicked all the way down to then just have London Open, wick all the way up, and then start ranging. So there was a London Open trade I see. So did anybody catch London Open? So I see that it was possible to catch London Open and pre-London. If anybody was trading pre-London, pre-London was a possibility and London Open was a possibility. Now this is a 15-minute candlestick that spiked and it closed, and after the close it completely went down. So if you didn't catch the 15-minute at the open, this is actually 2:30 open. I'm mistaken. This is literally the whole pre-London. London Open happened, price tanked, and then started ranging. Wow. Am I mistaken, boys? Did price range the whole time in GJ? Did anybody, like, was there any possibility of catching something? What's poppin', Manny? I already know who Manny is now. Manny, I have recognized. Manny's one of the. Manny's turning into one of the OGs of the group for sure, for sure, for sure. I'm gaining more love for Manny every single day. Let's rock and roll. Yo, yo, yo. Good morning. How am I feeling? I am feeling good, fresh. I got a coffee on the way now that one of my boys joined the live stream, and he's on the way to the cribbo, and he saw it. And Asia session gave entries. London, not really. Yeah. Man, I used to pay attention so much to Asia session, and like 1 hour before, because I used to hate staying up. I used to always trade like at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock is 2 hours before London Open for me. So basically, I used to trade 2 hours before London Open. And wow, look at this. I mean, I don't think I would have caught this at Ultimate Resistance. Truthfully, look at this shit. But what I love looking about GJ is that I haven't been preaching the wrong things to you guys at all. If you guys have been following what I've been preaching, or if you guys have like either took into consideration or been following what I've been preaching, yeah, you should have a good understanding of what's happening with GJ. Like we've basically understood exactly. There hasn't been one session where I've come to you guys and I've been like, guys, this is over. GJ is over. GJ is over. And I'm pretty sure if you guys go to many other fucking streamer sessions, you guys will be able to be like, oh, they'll give you an opinion maybe. Actually, I don't know. I'm talking out my ass. You know, I don't go to the streamer session. I don't know what the fuck they're looking at. But if anybody was telling you that they're looking for big sells on GJ and GJ might go bearish and GG's the ultimate resistance and I might go bearish, I hope that you don't listen to that person ever again. That's it's kind of like what my point goes to say, like, you don't call tops on a pair that's been rallying up for weeks and weeks and weeks and months and months and months and almost years. It will be years soon if this year closes out bullish on GJ, but there's no point of trying to like catch a bear on a pure bull market. Now, I'm talking about in terms of my strategy of trading, right? If somebody else has a different strategy where they're going 15-minute breakouts, 10-minute breakouts, like on that candlestick time frames and stuff, of course they have a possibility of catching up, down, up, down, up, down. We don't really trade that way. We kind of trade like where sometimes, like, because we have 30 pip take profits, 30 pip stop losses, like a lot of the time it could go 30 pips into profit and then not even hit I mean, it could go a bunch of pips into profit. Like, look, this range is only 30 pips. Like, imagine we would have entered anywhere in the middle trying to reach 30 pips. I wouldn't have reached 30 pips there. I wouldn't have reached, all right, if I would have sniped this from top to bottom, I would not have reached 30 pips. So if I would have at any point caught a long in this bullish flag that we're looking at, right, it would have to be a 15 pip. Like, so anything, imagine I would have been like, oh, prices are retracing 618 right here, we're throwing a 25 pip stop loss. Boom, 25 pips. Let's say a 101 is right there. I mean, should have been able to hit a 25 pip to the T. All right, that's Van Post area. This is Van Post's territory. But honestly, guys, this is a good indication of not a good indication, but this is more of like a luck thing based, not luck. I don't know how to say it. All right, so for example, who was I talking to? Oh no, I wasn't talking to anybody before that. Scratch what I was about to say. We missed you. What's up, G? Everybody, drop a like, please. Century, guys. How are what about the trade? What trades did you guys catch today? How are you guys doing? How's J Delavi doing? How's Century doing? I entered that trade at 175 5 hours ago. LMAO. It's funny because I was gonna enter this trade 5 hours ago also. Like, I was gonna throw a fucking 30 pip stop loss, 40 pip stop loss. Before I went to sleep, like at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. I was gonna try to get an hour of rest and wake up. And I was literally about to send a long on GJ, and I was in my head, I was like, you know what? If I send a trade, most likely I'll be able to wake up and the trade will be able to take profit or stop loss, and I'll be able to just be on and just chill. And that's like the best thing in the world to do. It's the funnest. And I didn't end up entering, and it didn't end up going anywhere. Who knows if I would have caught it. Yo, what is up? Martin Cio just took a gold at 1962, rode it to 1965. Not much, light size since it's Friday. So gold, oh, gold is giving us entries. Guys, gold is giving us entries. Gold is giving us, oh shit, I got called by my boy. Damn it. I didn't even see that you called, Daddy. 1964, 1962 to 1964. Oh shit, it's still going down. Hello? What do, gang?
No, I was just calling about the coffee. I saw you on live. Also, it's crazy that you mentioned the live.
Last free live? He's still on right now. Hey, bro, there's game that gets spit in these things. This thing's a 9 to 5. This is how you make a trader who does not work a 9 to 5 turn into a fucking 9 to 5 trader. Like 9 to 5 worker.
A bunch of people were complaining that it was free, and he's like, you know what? That's fine. I'm gonna charge 200 a month starting next week and buy myself an Escalade.
Tell him that Escalade that I got back, shoot down. What a savage.
Like 30, 40
For sure, for sure. I'll be here on stream. Thank you, brother. Bet. Oh fuck, I have echo because I didn't turn off this. Damn, bruh. Now you notice I have echo? That took a while. Dude, gold entries look fucking crazy fire, right? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I caught it, brothers. I literally caught it. Oh my god, that's hilarious, dude. What is life? Fuck! I got it on the wrong account! I hate trading multiple accounts, bro. Alright, hold up. Do you guys still hear the echo right now? Guys, did you not just see what the fuck just happened? I was fucking on the phone trying to call out gold longs here and it just rallied. I entered on my phone on a 1 lot, but on my 25k account. I mean, it was meant to enter on a different account though. Damn, it's still going right now? Damn, I had an early close apparently. What the fuck? That is crazy that that just happened. Wow. I did close early. I closed at 1966.50. I honestly did not know what the fuck was going on. Wow, I closed way early. Oh my god. Yo, Euro, are you looking at this? Brother, when we were on the phone call, I entered the trade and then I was like, I mean, I don't think I would have called it out to the live. I mean, I was saying that there was an entry, but I don't know if I was gonna fucking take a trade like, what the fuck? That was crazy. Dude, gold has been. Who did anybody see that whole situation just go down, or was it just we don't have people paying attention? FOMC next week, gonna send her flying. Dude, gold is such a fucking fun pair to trade. That was so dope. I'm kind of annoyed I didn't enter on my 25k account. Fuck. Alright. Do we got any music in the background? Music is on the background. Chat. What are you guys looking at, chat? Do we got people that you guys want to trade gold? Do you guys want to trade fucking S&P? The only thing I really down to trade right now is sending a trade to the live. We can send a trade to the Discord. Possibly to left. Whoa. What is this? What is this? Oh, wait, this is right now. Holy. Guys, do we catch a long as we speak? Just fucking sniper this shit all the way back up to the top? Oh my god. There's news today? Let me see. Brothers, that was fucking wild. Gold's going back down. Yo, I closed early on fucking gold. Oh! Oh! We are here, boys. Dude, how come I feel like Miguel's gonna sell? Somebody confirm to me where Miguel is. Or how come I feel like Van Post entered this thing at 175-100? Whoa! Dude. I really want to snipe along, boys, but there's obviously, like, we're not doing that right now. This is not the place to be doing anything like that. Jesus Christ. Well, I think some profits on one of my accounts to euro. Euro, if it wasn't for you, I don't think I would have been able to catch these profits right now. Let me run it up a bit right now. That was beast. You think this whole move is gonna recover? You guys think this whole move is gonna recover? That's what I want to know. One's in the chat if you think this 4-hour candlestick is gonna end all the way up as a doji. Two's in the chat if you think this 4-hour candlestick is gonna keep on going down bearish. We have, what time is this 4-hour candlestick gonna close? And then we have a new 30-minute candlestick. What do you guys think this new 30-minute candlestick is gonna do? Do you think this is a doji 30-minute candlestick or it's gonna keep on going down? One's in the chat if you guys think it's gonna recover. Two's in the chat if you think it's going to go down. Well, I'm one. I think this is gonna recover right now. At least as a doji, and then maybe open up a new candlestick that melts. Like, I feel like this candlestick is gonna go up, close, and then a new candlestick is gonna open, and then it's gonna fall. Damn, the retracement already happened. Dude, there's like fucking, you gotta be ready to trade these things at this time, bro. What the fuck is going on? Like, you gotta be ready as fuck. All right. Let's see what we're gonna do. All right, what it do, guys? Love you. I am the slickest. I'm glad to see you back joining the streams, enjoying. Brother, I am so sorry I have not been available for you guys. I apologize to each and every one of you individually. Each and one of you, whether it be Jane, Sentry, Van Post, Votex, Van Post don't need me, right? So Barnes, Day De La Vie, Realist Rick, JZ Pips, Frank. Literally, you guys are fucking. You guys have not missed any days. Majority of you guys have not missed any days. I am the verdict here. I mean, not the verdict. I am the. Can't think of it. What is it? Hi everyone, gang, ready as fuck. Oh my gosh, it already recovered. Oh, it's about to do the full recovery. Fuck. So like, I saw something. I saw it's funny how things happen in life. So somebody was asking me about how I trade my strategy on GJ, and when I started giving a little bit of an explanation, he told me like, "Oh, this is very impulsive though." It's like, and when he meant by impulsive, it's like he says that my trading strategy on GJ is very like muscle memory, as in like I recognize moves and I act on them, not knowing 100% my different confirmations, which that's his opinion. Nonetheless, what Roger was saying was like, he said in a post recently, yesterday he said this in a post, he said, trade one pair. Why? Because the more you look at one pair, the more it's going to become instinct when you see moves happen. It becomes second nature for me to see when price is very bullish. I don't know, where we have a huge bearish candlestick that melts that quick. For me to go, guys, that's not normal. We're not going to keep on melting that quick. That's a huge fucking liquidity grab, right? So other people like me react buys, right? I see price move to somewhere. I react off that price action, right? Sometimes I don't react and we miss the move. Sometimes I do react and we catch it way before anybody even thought it was a move, right? Why? Because there's like just like Roger explained, the more you watch one pair, the more you understand what the hell's happening to it, and the more you understand its price action, the more you understand why it moves the way it moves. The more you understand, the more memory. Like I've never seen. I mean, not that I've never seen. I've seen in coronavirus. Price just melt literally 30 pips in less than 10-15 seconds, and then keep on going. Like those are certain things that just I don't know. Like I guess when he explained it, it made more sense. And I've always known that watching my one pair has me understanding the moves. But I mean, yeah, I've been following GJ since November 2022. But I've been following GJ since basically 2019. Since 2019, I've been following GJ. Only GJ. I promise you, I am not one of those traders that say I only trade GJ and then I go and I start fucking trading GU because there's no trade on GJ, and then I trade gold. Like my first fucking trade on gold was yesterday, and that was my first trade on gold in months. And what I loved about that trade on gold is that I caught the same exact trade Sean Lee caught. Sean Lee predicted the whole trade before it even happened, and I caught it also. So I felt really good. I was like, damn, dude, I caught exactly what Sean Lee caught. Sean Lee is the king of trading gold. The king of trading gold. And probably GJ, who knows? Sean Lee is the king no matter what. Yo, what it do, AEKB? How's everything, brother? What the fuck just happened? All right, so gold, if you would have held, you would have gotten clapped. GJ, you would have held the sell, you would have gotten. All right, so all right, imagine price melted. All right, 1,800 would have been a good entry, so 5 pips, because you can't catch the exact sniper. Would have been up 10 pips. Damn, dude. Damn, dude. There's just not enough time for me to even think about what account I should take out, what fucking lot size I should throw. I am in the mood for sending a signal, though. I'm in the mood for sending a signal to the Discord chat. I kind of need to get the spreadsheet going for June. For June, we have 1 win, 1 loss. CAD news. Yeah, I saw that there was CAD news, by the way. That was the 8:30 CAD news. Employment change, unemployment change. How come the only news that exists in Forex, it seems like, is always just fucking like, and you're talking to somebody who's supposedly a fucking still supposed to be considered a professional trader. Dude, that news I fucking hate the news, yo. Fucking hate the news. Like I used to not even pay attention to the news. Just fucking trade without that shit. Ehab, where have I been? Same place, brother. Same place. I actually was getting my nails done yesterday. I don't know if you saw. 2 days without me on live. Did you survive, brother? Did you? Oh, this might go back up. This might go back up. All right, let's look at GJ. I'm down to look at GJ, and I'm down. I mean, I'm not down to look at GJ. Besides this move right now that we missed completely. Did anybody else in the chat? I mean, it hasn't recovered yet. But guys, did anybody in the chat catch any of the gold craziness right now, or catch any of the GJ craziness? What the hell happened with you guys? Yeah, gold will move back up. Kind of looked. Can you check it, please? I'll check it right away. CAD JPY. I caught gold buys. CAD JPY. Did you catch gold buys before I was saying, oh, this looks like a beautiful entry? Or somebody answered when I said this looks like a beautiful entry? I literally said this looks like a beautiful entry, and it started rallying. I was scared to buy. I mean, no, I was scared to buy, but I threw a small lot size, thinking that I was on a fucking. I threw the wrong lot size on the wrong account. I could have caught a bag. I sell at 175. It took a sell at 175 and got 20 pips at 174. So at 175 on GJ, this guy took a sell 175, and then he caught 20 pips to the downside. Damn, that's a good 20 pip clean. So so you entered. So this guy got triggered in at the break of this low right here, basically, almost at the trade. I've made so much money like this. Wait, what does he say? Bro, sell stops and buy stops 5 minutes before news. Damn, that actually works, guys. You guys sell stop and buy stop before news? Euro, do you ever sell stop and buy stop before news? Let me look at CAD JPY. Yeah, this is classic volume on Friday. Sheesh. Damn, boy. Make bullish pairs start looking bearish. I mean, unless this bounces right now, this is a no trade zone up to the moment. Unless it bounces right now. $104,430 sold on CAD JPY. $104,430. So you sold on JPY. Let's see if we see different. Oh, so maybe at the break of this. So once we started making a low. 430. And where's TP? Oh, you're trying to ask me, you're in a trade right now, you took 430. Well, you caught a beautiful 90% rule here, right? So you realistically, full move price target should be right here, 103, 104 on the dot, 104 on the dot, and 104 is a psychological level of a retracement due to the fact that it's a complete number, you know. So truthfully, this, I mean, dude, if you enter at 430 and then you're basically like 6 pips away from take profit, I just make sure it doesn't turn around on you big time. And then if you do think it's gonna melt out the whole session, let's look at the daily. I mean, the daily almost went from bullish to bearish. So if you possibly are risking profits, or you don't mind holding stop loss, you can possibly try to target the daily flipping bearish, and catching the whole, like that'd be an insane move. Let's see what New York session has for us, boys. New York session looks like it might be really juicy, especially because if we think about it, London didn't do shit. Oh my god, did it really recover that quick, boys? No way I'm missing out on my execute. Dude, every time I hop on live, just remove stop loss to be yeah, just put stop loss to break even. Yo, every time I hop on the stream, I feel like I'm fucking missing out on entries left and right. EU has been, ever since Euro, you started showing me EU, that shit fucking, yo, this was the move I remember at the beginning of the week, Euro. Oh, this is the move we were analyzing at the beginning of the week. At the beginning of the week, we were like, oh, look, people, EU looks beautiful, but a lot of people don't want to take this type of trade. Look, there's a double bottom. You won't ever get stopped out right here, and then you just target the full move. It would have taken 3 days to hit. Nonetheless, it would have hit. Remember Euro, we were looking at this? This was the analyzation we were doing. I'm talking about Euro in the chat, guys. When I say Euro, we were looking at Euro. There's somebody in the chat called Dr. Euro. Yeah. Beautiful down channel, side channel, up channel just barely started forming. We are going to be bullish on the rest of EU. EU, if anybody's going to be trading EU, is bullish for the rest of the month. Let this monthly candlestick, remember, support and resistance. What? So what do support and resistance do? They act as magnets. We got a magnet down here. We got a magnet up here. And then we got a magnet in the middle right here on these resistance. We clearly are rejecting off of this magnet, going up to this magnet, up to the top. We are not going down, right? It looks we're closer to this magnet than we are to this magnet down here. So most likely we're going to bounce right here. And once we do this, we basically almost recover the last previous candlestick monthly. Therefore, most likely we're going to come and reach the top monthly resistance and start having some price action there. That is my outlook on EU. Guys, if you guys want me to look at your guys' charts, you guys can send it to the members analysis. If you guys want me to look at your guys' trades, if you guys want me to look at anything in specific, just let me know and I'll fucking break it down for you guys. It is 8:44. London, New York session has opened, right? The stock exchange has not. The stock exchange is when I consider fucking New York session to be completely up and going and running, which is very, I mean, counterintuitive, as in the indices do not trade the same as the currencies. Nonetheless, every time during New York session, I'm more comfortable trading the S&P than trading goddamn GJ during New York session or like any other freaking pair, honestly. S&P 500 is one of the pairs that I definitely feel confident about. Like, so when it comes down to gold, man, I caught some nasty trades on gold before. When I tell you that I'm a fucking professional gold trader, that got successful off of gold and then I could slaughter gold, I could potentially slaughter gold, but just like you guys could potentially slaughter gold, you guys could potentially blow your account on gold, just like I could potentially do some crazy ass fucking loss on gold. I won't blow my account on gold because I'm never gonna over risk. You guys are the ones that over risk. But nonetheless, yeah, my point is just that, dude, there's certain pairs that you just don't touch because they don't move into, like, you know, everybody's different. Everybody has their own style, and some pairs just don't like perfectly sync in with your style. And I feel like GJ is such a perfect for my style. Like, did you see how price was melting here? And I was like, bro, we gotta take a buy here. We gotta take a buy here. That's my style. It's just fucking sniper bounces, retracements, higher time frame understanding of where price is moving. USD CAD looks bullish, man. USD CAD. Look at USD CAD real quick. USD CAD just barely played off. It's, oh, this is a descending wedge here. I haven't seen, oh, this almost formed to be a descending wedge, right? It had the intention of forming. Yeah, this shit's very bullish. Look at, oh my god, CAD JPY, guys. Look at the daily. You go to the daily candlestick chart. Wow, anybody could have fucking. Daily candlestick chart has just an ultimate ass resistance. Of course, we're gonna get a freaking reaction from there. Oh, support. Beast analysis for real, and that weekly played out to the T. Yeah, the weekly did play out to the T. Oh, the weekly on the Euro USD. Yeah, the Euro USD weekly, guys. When that Euro USD weekly started flipping. Oh yeah, this is the analysis we had. Oh no, this analysis just barely drew. I know that I had something though before. Boys, you guys got this is, bro. Weekly analysis on CAD JPY, please. CAD, guys, is that S&P that I'm looking at right now? S&P started to go. I don't want the S&P to leave without me. And then if we look at the CAD JPY weekly, oh shit. Oh, look at this. Perfect example of a reversal wedge. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, break, retest. 90% of the time when you have a break and retest of a reversal wedge, you will reach the top of market structure 90% of the time. Top of market structure is right there. 90% rule played out to the T. 90% rule, boys. This is my favorite thing to trade. One of my favorite reversal patterns. It's a reversal pattern for a long. So if it's descending, it's for long. If it's ascending, it's for shorts. As in, if it's an ascending wedge, you should be looking for shorts. All right, this is an ascending. Oh, this is not an ascending wedge, but nonetheless, it's ascending. Is this CAD JPY? What the fuck? All right, CAD JPY weekly. So the weekly on CAD JPY is very bullish, right? 1, 2, 3 bullish candlesticks to follow up. We've been on a bullish rally. We were coming off of this reversal wedge, which indicated the bottom of the weekly bull. Like the weekly bearish market literally stopped right after the reversal wedge that indicated bullish price action. Like, look at that. That is perfect, right? What am I expecting? I would not trade it. I would take buys maybe every time it retraces. Besides, yeah, I would take buys every time it retraces. Nonetheless, this daily when it just reached resistance and it's about to flip bearish. So if it has enough time to flip bearish in this New York session, it could possibly melt a little bit. Like, imagine we have a huge melt out. Nonetheless, we already had a huge amount of bearish volume right now, and the bearish volume did not continue bringing price down, nor on GJ, nor on CAD-JPY, nor on nothing. We just had a volume push, and it didn't keep on pushing it towards that way. Therefore, was it a volume push, or could we also consider it a liquidity grab? You see what I'm saying? A liquidity grab. So if you have a liquidity grab, most likely price is moving to the opposite direction of where the liquidity grab moved. I would say 80% of the time, 70% of the time, if we liquidity grab downwards, it's because price is moving upwards, right? It's liquidity grabbing and stopping out everybody downwards to just keep on going upwards. Now, this doesn't play out to be 100% of the time, but that's I think majority of the time, if we talk about liquidity grabs, they literally liquidity grab into the opposite direction in which the time frames are moving. So when we look at GJ, that literally just barely, like, we've been ranging. We're very overextended, right? We got a whole bunch of people that are new traders that they're like, man, my RSI is that ultimate resistance. We're hitting the, what is it called? The 80 on the RSI. We're hitting my RSI indicator. My VWAP is getting smashed. Wow, this looks such a good fucking entry. Holy fuck. They're like, my VWAP is getting smashed. GJ's overextended. It's moved too much. It has to sell. We're at resistance. We gotta sell. Right? There's a bunch of sellers. Bunch of sellers that are helping, that are causing price not to keep on moving up, right? We're the buyers, and then there's sellers right now keeping us from moving up. That's why we're ranging, right? We're in a range. Then what does a liquidity grab do? A liquidity grab goes and lets everybody start triggering all the sellers into sells, and starts letting all the sellers either start taking profits or either start averaging in, and then out of nowhere, boom, they all get stopped out after price just completely turns the fuck around on them big time. That's a liquidity grab towards the downside. So we liquidity grab toward the downside, most likely because we need to keep on pushing up. It just confirms what we got to do, right? Why am I saying all this? All this I'm saying is because I do not think we're going to have a bearish New York session right now. I do not think that we're going to recover. I don't think that this New York session Friday is going to end up melting everything that we went up during the week. So it's not going to be one of those days. I don't think it's going to be one of those days. It does not look like it's going to be one of those days. This gives me confirmation of it, because if we were going to melt, we would have a candlestick closure right now. Next candlestick would open and keep on melting, or it would have melted right there. Nonetheless, it didn't. It had a completely strong liquidity grab. Now, it could still go down. Like I said, a new candlestick could open and it could keep on going down. And but I don't think we're not going to melt with pure volume New York session. You know, that's not in the realms of possibilities right now. Or if it is, it's in the far realms of possibilities. Usually does take liquidity from the bottom after the top, and then fall or reversal. Wait, usually does take liquidity from the bottom after from the top, and then fall or reversal. Let's hop on GJ, dude. We gotta be ready to take trades, boys. Like, ready as fuck. Ready as fuck. So we we have to like prepare for what we're gonna take and then snipe it. Tomilius Trades says, hey bro, what to do, brother? How's everything? How are you? Usually does take liquidity. 1 hour on GJ. So GJ had a complete strong like take liquidity from both sides and then rallies to where it takes liquidity the first time. 100%. So as in go downwards, upwards, or no, so go upwards, downwards, and then upwards. Good, man. Glad you're back. I'm glad I am back also, brothers. I've been wanting to be back. What it do, AJ? AJ, brother. Missed you also, homie. I started laughing reading one of our messages. I can't remember what it was, but I was laughing my ass off. I was like, damn, AJ's so funny. Is gold doing a huge fake out? Is gold going down again? Oh my god. Is gold doing a fake out? So let's look at the 4 hour on gold. 4 hour on gold. Look, guys, look how we have magnets on magnets on magnets. Like, look how this magnet got hit, triggered. Like literally, this gold flew to our magnet, from our magnet, and then went back down. Like, you guys literally see why I say support and resistance act like magnets. I hope you guys, whenever I say that, I hope that people don't go like, oh, this guy's ridiculous. I'm not home right now, so I can't hear everything you say. Haha, that's why I'm not even active in the chat. I was wondering. I was like, where's Blodge right now? I was like, where the hell Blodge at? Well, this looks like a liquidity grab to the downside, truthfully. So like I said, I mean, if we kind of the same explanation, even though we liquidity grabbed downwards, most likely because we got to keep on moving upwards. Gold has been moving upwards. We liquidity grabbed upwards, possibly because we need to start moving downwards and retrace a little bit of this crazy, like, guys, this gold rally was insane. But yeah, that was interesting. That was some interesting price action right there on gold. I wouldn't take a buy right now on gold. Fuck that. GJ pisses me off. GJ pisses me off. $30 pips. 30 pips. I was looking at the Discord chat. Guys, did Dr. Dollar go on live today? And what did Dr. Dollar catch? What trades did Dr. Dollar catch? That Instagram story had me laughing. Yeah, I think that's what it was. I was looking at what you texted me on the Instagram story or some shit. You guys saw my Instagram story, brothers? You guys are funny. German 40. German 40. Let's look at the daily on the German 40. German 40 looks like a sniper buy. German 40 looks like a sniper buy. DAX sells. German 40 short. You like short, Frank, on dirt? Oh, this is the first time me and Frank come into conflict. Conflict from me and Frank. Icy buys. Just because of this leg right here. All right, we're gonna leave this right here, guys. This is, we're gonna come back to this. We are gonna come back to this. GJ can't try enter again. 175-200 to double confirmation. 175-200 double confirmation on GJ. Let me remove everything from GJ real quick. No double confirmation. Look, guys, the problem with GJ right now is that we had that huge like push word downwards, right? I said it's a liquidity grab. Nonetheless, we can keep on moving towards downwards, right? We keep on moving downwards, and we didn't even rally up to recover this move. We're trickling. Like, this right here is a break, and this could potentially be a retest. Like, this does not look like a good buy at any moment right now. I hope most people see what I'm seeing, and they're just not like, oh, this guy just doesn't want to take a trade. This does not look like a good buy. It does not. This looks like a better buy on a 15-minute time frame. What brand is your sweater? That Skull and Bones looks nice. It is it's a golf company. G4. This is the company right here. They got some ugly ass shit though. Yeah, it's G4. All right. Wow, dude. Yeah, we're trickling. That's the problem with we're trickling. We're not even moving with volume. But like, dude, dude, getting on and like, guys, when I feel frustrated due to the fact that I literally knew that this was gonna bounce. Just there's no possibility of me being able to just be like, guys, we're gonna hop on a trade. Stop loss over here. I'm gonna risk this money, and then fucking like, oh, there's just no chance I could literally have any moment. Like, this literally went down in how many seconds? How many minutes? All right, 1 minute, 2. Oh, it was 4-minute melt. Well, I caught it. I realized it was melting around here. Gold though. Gold. We're gonna have to wait for some price action, sir. Because gold literally also looks like gold. I don't think it's gonna retrace anymore. Truthfully, it possibly keep on going. It looks like, to me, everything looks like it's gonna range, right? Like if you were to ask me possibly what is GJ gonna do, I do not think GJ is gonna break this resistance. For GJ to break this resistance, what we need to start focusing on right now, guys, what you guys could usually do on Fridays. Fridays is this is the best day to do it, obviously, because it's the weekly. Pay attention to the weekly candlestick, all right? So we have to look at the weekly. What is the what else can we get from what else can we ask for from GJ on this weekly? Like the weekly ended up breaking ultimate resistance every single time. Every time it broke ultimate resistance, it didn't rally past ultimate resistance. Like it just broke resistance and then stayed like a full candlestick above it. I could potentially see this weekly on GJ. Like if you were to ask me, oh, it's Friday, I haven't looked at anything else. I could tell you the weekly on GJ could potentially close down here, right at the last previous resistance, or the weekly on GJ could close where it is right now and just range around due to the fact that it's already bullish. So it already looks like it could close like this. Now the reach and the push is for GJ to close like all the way up here at 175,500. Guys, remember I told you guys the 175 areas were going to be explored by the end of the week. Like that's at least one thing that I think that I am very confident that I have been able to give to you guys, the knowledge of telling you guys where the fuck GJ is at least gonna move. Maybe I can't tell you exactly where to enter and where to sell, you know, like these last 2-3 days I haven't really sent any signal or anything like that, so I can't tell you exactly where to buy or sell. But what I have told you guys, and with zero doubt in my mind, what I've told you guys multiple times without zero doubt in my mind, zero doubt, is that we are bullish as fuck. Bullish as fuck. Even when price started retracing on us, I was like, guys, we're bullish. Please stop with the bear talk, or you're distracting us. That's foolish talk. We're bullish. Can get ones in the chat if you guys agree with me. Like, did you guys at any point in this week be like, yeah, man, maybe price is gonna go up, and then you guys had a little bit of doubt, and then I know where it does go up, and then you're like, oh fuck, this guy was fucking right. GJ is going up. Because literally since I've been streaming with you guys, since I've started streaming, which has been a couple weeks ago, 9 weeks ago, I've literally said every fucking stream we are so bullish on GJ. And it's because we are, bro. Just look at the higher time frames. What color is my Bugatti? That's the best question. We find the next one. We trickling, sir. We find the next one. GJ is really bullish. It's gonna go back to the London range, I think. 11111. Rara says he does agree with me, that he does love that I've been saying that it's bullish and that it's been coming to a realization. But like that's a little bit of like what I want you guys to be able to incorporate in your trading style when you're developing your own strategy. It's using the higher time frames to be able to know what you're gonna do throughout the week, throughout the month. Like I look at the higher time frames, and that's what tells me, hey, we're very bullish. Therefore, I know how this pair moves. It makes so much sense if I catch every time GJ retraces, I'm gonna catch a buy. Like, and even if price keeps on going down, like you see, all right now, imagine price keeps on going down and it does end up going bearish New York session. Even if it ends up going down New York session, that trading strategy holds to be profitably like good, like statistically, probability wise, that strategy will work out due to the fact that we have major bullish price action. Therefore, we're always going to have huge bounces and retracements to the upside. As in, like, even if we are going to be short-term bearish, every bounce to the upside that we get, maybe it's not going to be that next impulse up. It's not going to be that new higher high. Like maybe we are not going to be able to, imagine we were to take a buy here. Maybe it wasn't going to be the new higher high. Nonetheless, because there's so much volume, this retracement right here, it didn't have to be the smaller time frames could be bearish. Nonetheless, you could catch a buy because everything's higher time frame buy, and you still had enough pips to be able to profit. And that happened to us. There was a few sessions where price did end up going bearish. We caught the retracement trade, and we were still bullish on GJ. We were still going to be bullish the next day. Nonetheless, we caught like a retracement trade. It happens. It happens. Keep up, and great work. Gold Goblin, thank you for coming by and saying what's up. Guys, thank you literally to all fucking one of you. Every single one of you that always come by and says what's up. I always say the same thing, but like literally I didn't stream for 2 days. I was expecting right now to only have like 15 people on stream, 10 people on stream. We're back to 40 people on stream. Drop a fucking like. Well, let's try to fucking catch a New York session trade. Now, what trade can we catch on New York session? I'm paying attention right now. I'm looking at GJ due to the fact that I'm trying to see if there's any last potential sells I could catch on GJ. I'm gonna give it one last try. I think it would be ridiculous for me to right now call out a trade on something like this and then just get stopped out. It would be really. Oi, it would be, yeah, bro, I joined this week. Enjoy your trading. Yeah, bro, I joined this week. Enjoy your trading. Oh wow, S3, you haven't been anywhere near. Oh, S3 is the one that was this guy was like I'm not gonna recall. I remember you from 2 streams ago talking about Mr. Kelly. Yeah, I just don't want to call it a ridiculous trade, boys. Like imagine us getting inside of a trade that we're gonna be fucking watching for 3 hours and not even be able to get off because it's not gonna hit take profit or stop loss. It's more about we have to try to catch something that's gonna be with the volume, with the next wave of volume that's gonna come. Remember how I told you guys trading comes in volumes and waves. If you don't catch the wave, you gotta be we buying GJ? No, we're not buying GJ yet. I need to stop throwing those things. We're not buying GJ yet. GJ actually looks like it's about to come down. If I'm not mistaken, guys. Range should come down, but this looks like it's about to wick fill this high key. Ehab, did you take any trades today? Sentry, wait, Sentry told me he took the sells. AJ, did you take any trades today? Or Gold Goblin, did you take any gold trades today? Goblin, I don't know if you were here at the beginning of the Zoom call when I literally was like, oh, gold is a great ass entry, and then fucking gold rallied literally fucking I don't know how many pips right there. That was funny. I'm gonna actually watch that over on the replay, see if I get a good reel out of it. I'm kind of down for S&P. Sell stop on GJ below the 15-minute support. What do I think? Sell stop below 15-minute support. The scary part is, and I know it's annoying to sound, guys. The guys who are managing my accounts, yeah. The scary part about taking the sell is that just look at that reversal zone. Like, we're so bullish in such a big reversal zone. I'm very comfortable with taking GJ with S&P buys. S&P buys up to the moment I'm very comfortable with. Why? Because I think that this candle, first of all, it's retracing. Therefore, like, S&P buys could be possibly really good at like 0618 rejection around here. Maybe we catch another leg upwards. What lot sizes do we think that we have to throw on an S&P trade? We catch a trade today. We catch a date today. We catch a trade today. Yeah, I'm also waiting on stock market open. I like S&P longs. Like if I had to take any long right now, I wouldn't take it impulsively right now. I'd wait for price to come down a little bit more. But I like to take something. Trying to catch this full move on GJ. Look at GJ. GJ's looked so bullish. I mean GJ. S&P's looked so bullish. CAD JPY. Let me look at it right away. CAD JPY. What's that pair that I threw a trade on and I wanted to see if it was gonna hit or not? That Frank did not. Frank, what was the pair that you said you told me to look at? Bro, I sold CAD JPY at 104.430. So you sold the break below this, and it actually ended up playing out really nice, dude. You see that strategy there? It wasn't Frank. What the fuck? Somebody told me to look at a pair. Frank. It wasn't Frank. Oh, my bad. Yeah, it was Frank. He told me German 40. All right. No. I know Ehab. You said this trade. I like it. I think that this is like some sort of Dr. Dollar strategy trade. Dr. Dollar not impulse, but breakout trade. It came out nasty. Like I would have definitely not had the best execution on that. That was a really good sell. What do I think of TP? 1, 2, 3. I honestly think you keep on rallying. You keep on going. I would honestly close at the wick, probably at down there, but I do have early closes. Brother, you caught the move. Oh, Dollar caught the German 40 trade. German 40 shorts. That's what he caught. Damn, and he hit. Apparently. I like this German 40 right now. I was like, guys, German 40 from me. That's why I was like, Frank, you and me do not agree right now. Nonetheless, let's see what the fuck happens. I like this. This German 40 looks fucking fire. Let's see what happens with SPX though. SPX, no. LOL, Dr. Dollar Trade. Well, guys, what's up with the music? Do I have music on? Yeah, I do. Yeah. He did it. He did hit and jump the trade as it turned. and nobody wanted to take the trade. F legend, fucking legend. He did hit and jump the trade as it turned. What does that mean? Wait, nobody wanted to take Dr. Dollar's trade? All right, let's look at GJ right now. Let's see if we're gonna have our this is the last possibility I'm gonna give a chance on GJ for the week, boys. Look at the weekly candlestick. Weekly candlestick on GJ is very, very bullish. Could it keep on pushing to a higher 175,500? Maybe that could be a psychological level possibility. 175,500. I think volume died down. This would be possibly exactly right now the best buy. This literally, we're not taking buys yet, guys. I'm not hopping anybody into a buy. He did hit and jumped in. But this would be the best buy though. So imagine hopping into a buy, drawdown. How many pips is this? 710. That's 35 pips. I don't think if I put a 35 pip stop loss, we'll hit take profit. That's the thing. All right, and 35. Have you taken a trade today, bro? No, I have not taken a trade today. Today, I have not taken a trade. I accidentally, I took a trade on the wrong account. I took a gold buy. I caught a gold buy. Easy 50 lot. Boys, we got 46 viewers in this bitch. I just noticed. Guys, drop a like. 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 Thank you for coming and supporting the channel on a Friday, boys. We got, oh shit, GU. Oh no, nobody wanted to take Dollar's trade. He said fuck it and smashed it. Oh, Slick Blockage said just started my FTML challenge. Slick Block Up, make sure you take your first trades or your most important ones. No, we are not in this trade. We are not in this trade. I am so sorry for throwing this up and getting you guys confused. And we're not in this trade either. I'm thinking about hopping in this S&P buy. Now, when we hop in this S&P buy, guys, I don't think we could have such a big take profit at all. Like, I think the take profit has to be basically short. Like, we have to, because we could possibly reach take profit, but I don't want us to not hit take, but go into profit and then not. I just saw the screen. Hi, okay. Yeah, let's see what the fuck happens. 910. I might. Gold decided to range. Gold decided to range completely. Ah, you see? Gold didn't decide to go down. All right. Euro US dollar. Range. GJ. How do I calculate lot size on S&P 500? I honestly used to calculate it so differently, but I took, dude, I hopped into a trade on my what was this trade on the S&P? I don't know what account it is because I have 3 different fucking prop firms right now. 3 different accounts, 4 different accounts, 3 different prop firms. And what was the S&P? What was I gonna say? Oh, I goddamn hopped into a fucking 5 lot. My 5 lots on S&P used to be like equivalent to fucking $50 every time it moved like 10 pips, whatever you consider 10 pips, right? From one number, from like imagine 4282 to 4283. It used to be $50. That shit was like $5. I fucking threw an S&P trade. I should have been up hella money, and then I look at my shit and I wasn't even up this right here. This was supposed to be a slaughter because I feel like I took it on what was it? I think it was a top tier. Truthfully, I think it was a top tier. I think I took it on no, I took that on Leveled Up Society. I took this long on my fucking 25K account on Leveled Up Society, and that shit did nothing. Nothing. It was a waste. It was a waste. And I didn't look. I just fucking put buy and then didn't look. And so I honestly don't know how to calculate lot size. Oh, and then I got to throw an 80 lot. At one point I was like, wait, what's the lot size limit? Because and now that I'm realizing it's S&P cash. So you trade like a different. It's like a different. I don't know. Whoever knows the explanation for it knows the explanation. I kind of understand it. I don't feel like explaining it, but lot sizes on the S&P 500 could vary due to the broker, and due to the prop firm. So it's I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. You can download FTMO Trade Panel. Duncan start managing accounts. I can't trade. I have the Hugo sway of the MT4. I'm wondering if I want this. Should we? My god. All right, gold, GU, GJ. Hey, we got Van Post in here. Van Post, what the hell are we doing? Van Post, are we trading the S&P or are we trading GJ? Nice setups. It is a nice setup. This is a nice setup on SPX. It is a very nice setup. Whoa, this song is not good. Van Post, snipe the low on GJ and will soon rub it in our face. Some people got it, some people don't, Frank. Some people got it and some people don't. Once he seen that Glock, you know I made him dash. Always on that dummy shit. That's probably why I skipped the class. Flex a flash. I assume you're not in the SPX. No, I'm not in the SPX. I'm not. Fucking on his bitch, I know I made him mad. Made him sad. I can't wife a bitch, none of my niggas had. Brody Blast, mommy. No, you're completely fine. You're completely fine. I always do this to be able to, like, I don't know. I picture myself in the trade. This is literally me picturing myself in the trade. I picture myself in the trade. I see my stop loss. I see that I don't like this is not my favorite stop loss, right? Nonetheless, if I extend my stop loss, this won't be at all my favorite take profit. Not even close. Not even close. The candlesticks are way too big. We need a random crazy ass push. Guys, you guys know, if you guys have been following me, I hate taking buys when candlesticks are already going up. This right here, what are we at right now? We're at a resistance, right? There is support here. If you were gonna buy, you had to buy here, not anywhere here either. Here. You buy on the opposite candlestick. Not you guys. I'm not telling you that that's the way to actually do it. That's the way I do it. I don't buy on a green candlestick. I don't sell on a red candlestick. To me, it doesn't really make sense. That's kind of a late entry. You could throw a late entry with a bigger stop loss. Nonetheless, I don't do that. I mean, I do throw big stop losses. I don't like entry. I prefer to miss out than and put myself in those predicaments. GJ, we still don't know what's gonna do. GJ, the most that I see it doing right now is going to the top of this range. Give me 1 second, boys. Literally, I'm gonna go across the room for just a second. 1 second. I just had a bite of some nasty ass shit. I regret doing that. Who the fuck eats hot sauce in the morning? That is the most American thing in the fucking world. To eat hot sauce in the morning. Only goddamn Americans eat hot sauce with like eggs, hot sauce with everything. Have you guys noticed that, or is it just me? Americans goddamn eat hot sauce with everything possible. Fucking oh my god. You mean Mexicans? Mexicans too, 100% Mexicans. I'm telling you, Americans. Is that like? I grew up in a Latin household, right? My little brother who grew up in America, I mean, he was born in America. I wasn't born in America. I think I long SPX on my FTMO, even on fucking candy. Yeah, you're so right. You're so right. They got like fucking stands in Mexico walking around selling hot sauce. is that I'm not even gonna give a reaction anymore. Reactions are just gonna reactions are not what people want from me. People want execution, not reactions. GJ 40 pips. So if we would have entered on the sell on the buy, we would have been probably 10 pips late. So we would have take profit. Hey, I'm new to your stream. What are we waiting on? I apologize, Barry Joe. Up to the moment, we are not waiting on much due to the fact that, I mean, I'm seeing if I'm gonna potentially send a trade. I usually hop on stream and I send one trade. The last 2 streams I haven't sent a trade. Make sure you join our Discord. In the Discord, you'll be able to see all the trades that we send. If you guys go to the admin signal section, you'll be able to see all the signals we sent. We have 21 wins in the admin signals, 5 losses, and 7 break-evens. We also have a spreadsheet that shows all the trades logged. You guys will be able to check all the wins out, be able to check all the losses out, check out the win streaks. I need to update the chart for June, the spreadsheet for June. We took 1 win in June, 1 loss in June. R. Kelly music in the background. Oh. And oh fuck, is this SPX? Dude. Nice. S3 said a nice combo. No. I don't go over trade. So I was gonna say that I usually trade London session. There you go. I usually trade London session because I did not wake up on time. London session for me. I'm Eastern time, so London session for me is 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning. I was not up for London session, so I'm here in New York session. It is Friday, and yeah, we're doing yeah. I don't know. Up to that, I don't really like. I'm looking for a trade. If I potentially see something, like, I'm not really one of those traders that want to just. I don't offer any services, and this is not a paid service where you guys are coming on and I need to send a trade. So for me to just send a trade up on the board, like put a chart up and like actually like tell you guys all hop in here. If I don't actually like the fucking trade, I'm not gonna tell you to hop in. If I believe a little bit, if I feel like it's gonna go up, I'll possibly do this and I'll tell you I like the entry. But it's like, I'm not gonna try to get you guys into a trade that I feel. I'm not, you know, like, fuck that. For that, you guys can go on to fucking, I don't know, like, for that, you guys go to every other streamer that fucking sends trades every single day and they have losses and wins and losses and wins and losses and wins. The only thing I do is I try to send you guys the trades that I try to take it on my live FTMO account up until we started taking the trades on the other FTMO account, me knowing that you guys are taking it. So everything's changed a little bit, like the dynamic wise of what style of trades I'm taking and how I'm taking them. Not what style, but on how I'm taking them. Nonetheless, Barry Joe, just make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications. If you want to catch a trade right now, most likely we're gonna have to be patient. If you want, I can give you a breakdown of what you're looking at and what I'm looking at. The Instagram was just barely sent to the comment section right there. Thank you, Jay Delavi, where you guys can see my personal Instagram and the Bullish Lifestyle Instagram. Bullish Lifestyle is like the, you know. But up to the moment, dude, for me to tell you to take a buy at ultimate resistance right now on GG, that's completely done. Been ranging since the beginning of London session. It's been ranging. It hasn't gone anywhere. It's very, very, very overextended. We've literally slaughtered past every fucking resistance level, and now we're probably gonna maintain there. Now we could look at gold, which gold had a crazy move to the upside recently that puts us at an ultimate resistance. We literally had a liquidity grab to the upside, and there is a sell that is potentially about to happen right now. Now, the sell is happening at support. Remember, I just told you guys I do not like taking sells at a sell. So I mean, at a red candlestick. So the sell had to be anywhere up at resistance. Remember, support and resistance act like magnets. Magnet, magnet. Look how we're bouncing from magnet to magnet. Now, is there a magnet? But the next magnet beneath there is all the way down here. Crazy. All right, okay, cool. I'd just like to know what the live is covering because you're new on my YouTube suggestions. LOL, nice meeting you. Nice meeting you too, brother. I'm glad that I'm fucking hopping on people's YouTube suggestions. I didn't live stream yesterday or the day before yesterday, which kind of ruined our rhythm. We usually have like fucking, I mean, on Wednesday we got up to, I think 70, 80, 90 people. The most we've ever had on stream was about 115. That was like last week. I definitely noticed when I stopped, when I skip a day of streaming, we definitely lose a lot of people. I honestly don't give a fuck though. That's the truth. Like I said, I'm not here trying to offer anybody any services. I'm not here trying to take anybody's money. I'm not here trying to do shit besides take my own trades. I've been a profitable trader. I'm trying to show other people how to be profitable traders. If I take a profitable trade on my account, I'm down to show you guys the profitable trade, and that's kind of like the dynamic we've been going off of here. It's not that I've so there's been many days where I've not taken a trade, right? I will always be the number one OG in here. Young AJ will always be the number one OG in here. Respectfully, guys, starting on Monday, we're going to start doing Zooms. So everybody, make sure you guys have your mic ready. Make sure you guys have your webcam ready. Mic, webcam, and have a Zoom account. I don't think you only need to have the free version. I have the paid version where we're going to be able to hold Zooms. We're starting to do Zooms, right? It's going to help me. I think we're going to do Zooms because it's going to, I don't know, create a little bit more of a dynamic connection going on here where people would be able to ask more questions, a lot more perspectives, and maybe we'll be able to get fucking somebody like Van Post slaughtering trades. I'd love to see fucking maybe Frank call out some setups, and I don't know. We'll have some fun, and we're gonna start doing Zooms. So if you guys like Zooms, we'll do ones in the chat if you guys want to start doing Zooms. Two, if you guys think this is distracting and you guys just like the stream, because I've seen other, like for example, Luca No Limit does Zooms with other people. Dr. Dollar does Zooms with other people. But then there's people like Raja that don't do Zooms with other people. Like, oh guys, isn't that so funny? This is Raja's last live stream that's gonna be free. Raja, oh shit, where's Raja Banks? Raja Banks. And it happened already or something, right? That's it, it's over. 56 minutes ago, 1 hour live stream. Wow, this guy gets on for an hour, bro. 1 hour, 22 minutes, an hour and 26 minutes, an hour and 41 minutes. I need to learn from the GOAT. This is literally the way to go. Just fucking hop on, call the trade, and get the fuck off. And gold is bouncing at support. That's exactly why I would not take a sell at support. It's going upwards. Now, does that mean that we're going to maintain the bullish momentum? I have no idea. It just means that we're not going to fucking break support very easily without any volume. Therefore, we could potentially range for a very long amount of time. GJ, $200 a month to subscribe. Jesus, dude. Oh, I need a psychology break. It feels that way. It feels that way. I don't feel like I'm doing anything wrong, but just not taking like what I would consider risky setups, and they're just hitting, bro. Like I wanted to take this buy anywhere around here. Like anything that would have been a 20 pip stop loss, I don't think I would have gotten stopped out. Ooh, I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. Oh my god, it hurts to watch this right now. It really does. All right, gold goes back down. Wow, that is funny. Who knows what the fuck is gonna happen right now? Let's wait for this stock exchange open. Let's see what the SPX is gonna do. Just hit TP on GJ. Century. What a beast, Century. I'll give it to you, Century. You got it in you. You got that dog in you, Century. I'll give it to you. Century got the dog in him. What was gonna ask? Barry Joe though. Barry Joe. Is Barry Joe still in here? I'm surprised. That's awesome that people fucking my YouTube is being suggested to people. The Crack FX, my boy Allen in the house. My dog Allen in the house. I'm gonna take a little Instagram video. Everybody, one's in the chat if you want your name to come out in the Instagram video. One's in the chat, one's in the chat, one's in the chat, one's in the chat if you want to be able to come out in the Instagram video. I'm gonna take a video right now.
Fortune and fame, but you can get fortune without all the fame. Don't get split like a fraction. Me and my dose bite first, get the yapping. Remember days loading up magazines, now they see us.
Came to trade New York session, and the gang showed up. Gang showed up. Sheesh. Van Post, brother. Van Post. Van Post is the best, brother. Let me see how many of your guys' accounts I could get instantly. If I put Blodge at Ehab at Van Post at who else do I got in here? I got Blodge. Oh, Tamilius Trades. I think Tamilius. What's your Instagram, Tamilius? Oh, I got you right here. Underscore Tamilius underscore. Oh my god, I almost didn't tag AJ. Jesus Christ. AJ, what's your thing? Young AJ. Am I missing anybody? I am the slickest. What's your Instagram? Instagram. What's your Instagram? I am the slickest. Oh, I need to add the crack effects. Alright, there you go. Oh, I got I'm the slickest right here also. He's the guy with the clown Yo, your Instagram photo is scary as fuck. At Day Trader POV. Someone that I knew, that's all it was. Sometimes gangsters falling. I like when your face is beat, but I like when you make up. That just enticing me, but I wanna see you take it up. You sent me a text, I didn't respond. Pop Vanessa. I know why you're not in the mood. You ain't gotta say what's wrong. But I never roll with sticks. Just blonde girl, slim waist, big tits. Very big lips, love S6 chicks. 18, I put 18 on a nice little weight class. I ain't even got no life. Wait, Jay Delavi sniping. Wait, I think I gotta add Jay Delavi in here also. Oh, I can. At J. Oh, Jay-Z Pips. At what's a Jay Delahavi? What's your Instagram again? Jay De. What's your Instagram, Delahavi? You wanna come fly with me? I'll fuck you all night on beat. I know you gon' cry when I leave. I like when your face is beat, but I like when you make up. That dress enticing me, but I wanna see you take it off. What's Jay Delahavi's Instagram? Mr. JV. There you go. Mr. J. There you go. All right, I got everybody. My bad, let me add fly at Nathan underscore. This I listen a lot, but I don't speak much. I kept it brief, she think that I'm shy. She down for the cause, I told her I'm done. She said she want more, I bang in my guy. I was dead broke. And let me put at FX Peso. I was down bad and they asked how I am. I got out like a man and I said I'm alright. Don't think I'm pussy, don't make me pull out with the stick. I got a Louis V bag to match with the fit. VVS was on my wrist. All this water on me, I got water for me and my. This every day? Yeah. Drowning, flooded. You do this every day? You do this every day? Alright, my bad for the silence, boys. I apologize if you guys did not understand what's happening there. I was reposting on my Instagram. If you guys are in the stream right now and you guys do not follow my Instagram, make sure you guys go to the Instagram, guys. Anybody can send the Instagram to the Discord. Send it to the comment section, please. Bullish lifestyle. It is Central C, Pop Smoke, and Fabio. My IG is in the chat right now, and my personal IG is right there also. So you guys can be able to check out my Instagram and social medias. And I just barely reposted everybody who just barely. Oh my god! Boys! I didn't want to hop into this trade because I didn't think it was gonna pop open like that. It popped. Oh my, like, dude, I'm so sick of this, dude. Guys, I need a break. Like, I need a break. Like, please, God, Lee, give me a break. Oh my God, I feel like Daniel Savage right now, where it's just like, where you just like, you see it in the fucking guy just trying to lose his, like, losing his cool. No, high key, I am missing some trades, brother. High key, I am missing some trades. It's not low key. There's no low key when you're fucking on the internet. Everything's recorded and you're in front of everybody. This is high key. Rami! How's everything, Rami? We always missing entries. I mean, yeah, bro. What I do to those, I do at least 0. I do the same exact thing. I mean, dude, age. I mean, fucking Allen. I 100%. I agree with you. Whenever I don't like the setup too much, I always still take it, but just risk less. The thing is, and I did that. For example, like I do that still. Like for example, we supposedly missed this gold trade. I caught this gold entry. I hopped in right when I saw it. I liked it. I hopped in. Right. Another day that there was, everybody was in GJ sells and the session was over, I hopped in a GJ buy. I did catch those GJ buys. Like, there are trades that I fucking take without you guys. At one point, I wasn't taking any trades with you guys, but then I was like, I kind of got annoyed of it. I kind of need to take my trades. Also helps my keep my psychology cool. It doesn't make me feel like I'm missing out on things. But it's different for me to actually tell everybody to hop into a trade, Allen, and be like, oh, everybody hop in on this one, because this one, like, what's the chance I tell everybody to hop in at ultimate resistance, and then I say, oh, because at 9:30 we're gonna have a pop. Like, look how much to the T this was. Like, we're gonna have a pop. Like, this is like yeah, like I could, like I said, I'm not trying to get you guys in, like, I'll show you guys setups left and right, man. Like, this is what I'm here for, right? I'm sending you setups left and right. When there's a trade, there's a trade. When there's not a trade, there's not a trade. You know, that you guys could pay attention to the setups and see if you guys like them, understanding my reasonings behind them. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. I haven't really got more excuses. I fucking missed out on the trade and that's it. All good, man. We miss you. I miss you too, Rami. I apologize, Rami. So for everybody, guys, we are starting on Monday. Zoom. Make sure you guys have a camera and make sure you guys have an audio. Rules are no fucking weird things on the camera. That goes without being, like, you know, that goes without being said. Second rule is the only way you get unmuted is not having a shitty mic. And I know that sounds so fucked, but like as in like if you want to leave your mic unmuted and be able to communicate with me and say different things, like, you need to have a good mic. Like this mic already doesn't sound too well. Who could join the Zoom? The OGs. The OGs could join. Can't be naked on camera. I've seen some weird ass shit on Zooms, brother. I've seen some weird shit. I've seen some guy. I remember once there was a guy who didn't know he was still on live stream on Daniel Savage's stream. And he literally got up with his fucking butt naked cheeks to the fucking bathroom and shit. And we had to literally fucking close down the fucking, we had to kick him out. London, we're gonna be doing London, but we're gonna go London all the way to New York. And I mean, starting next week also, very soon we're gonna have some sort of mentorship or some sort of something with the Zooms. I haven't thought about it yet, but I know that I'm gonna do something with the Zooms that where I make it a lot more personal, a lot more serious. This isn't like I've obviously taken it a bit serious due to the fact that I've been trying to put like my rep on the line. But I saw a guy and his wife giving him grapes on the, oh my god, no way. For real? I've been just mainly focused on I don't even know, finding my rhythm. I'm trying to find my rhythm and seeing what I like doing on live, what you know, how many people I'm actually gonna be getting on live. I'm trying to figure out all those logistics before I say, but I think up to the moment I'm very confident. Wait, you took any trades on FTMO today? No, I did not. Karmazen, people are terrified right now that we are not going to be able to pass our FTMO. And I love it. I fucking love it. It literally reminds me of whenever I want to take a buy and everybody's like, oh, it's sell, it's a sell, it's a sell. And I want to take a buy, but everybody wants to take a sell. Like, I feel that exact same vibe when people are like, oh, this guy is not going to be able to get away with this FTMO account shit. It's like, yo, dude, I could literally throw a fucking 10 lot right now and just fucking hold it out. I'll probably end up passing my trade. Like, I could predict it's easy for me to get the fucking bias correct. I could throw a fat stop loss and keep it going. Why haven't we done that? I have no idea. We're gonna. Time is putting us in the position where we're gonna do that. Before we didn't have to do that. Before that would be considered gambling. Now the fire is about to start. 100 people watching that shit. Almost butt naked. 100 people watching that shit. Oh my god. Karma Zen. Who gives a fuck what I did on my personal account? Gold decided to start falling down. S&P. It's okay as long as we break even, and that's easy. Oh yeah, the break even, we're around the corner. Dude, the break even, if it was for break even, I could literally tell you guys, let's try to get a break even and we don't touch the account again. Dude, we could pass that shit. It's so passable. It really is. It really is. GJ popping. Is it really? Oh, what the fuck just happened? I have rage in me right now. Not rage. Just frustration. Alright. Reset, 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 boys. Reset, 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 reset. Where the fuck is Miguel? Your comments aren't being posted and to make you a moderator. Up to potentially next week. Hey Bayo. Hi Bayo. Hey Peso. I think you meant to say hi Peso. Yo, I'm so like, what is that? What is up with price action right now? Wow. I said that the last thing I think was gonna happen, like the least probable thing, was that we're gonna reach the 175,500. I was like, most likely we're gonna range. We are gonna reach 175,500, bro. Gold, fuck my life. Still going down. Jesus Christ. All right, did you see how this is a perfect example of if we liquidity grab to one way? Most likely because we're moving the other way. When I was giving that preach, you guys can see perfectly how it holds to be exact. I caught this gold long. That's the funny fucking thing. Thank God I closed it. But like, liquidity grab usually means that price is moving to the opposite direction. If it's liquidity grabbing in one direction, it's because price is going to the opposite direction. Now, when it comes to this GJ, I have never traded GJ at 940. I have never. I don't recall the last time I traded GJ at 940. GJ could be doing a liquidity grab to the upper way. I don't think so. So like what I'm looking at right now on the weekly is that, I mean, like I said, the last option was that the weekly needed to close a little bit more bullish. Oh, but like, dude, I didn't even like GBPJPY. Isn't London session over, or is London session over in 1 hour? Like, what the fuck is this? I thought that was gonna be the weekend already. I believe it is going back into the range. I see that happening also. That is possible. I don't like the range. There's a range here, but dude, it just pisses me off how we could have possibly taken the trade like anywhere here. And it's me. That's me. It's not you guys. It's me. 2 hours still from London to close. 2 hours still for London to close. One. Yeah. No, still 20 minutes. One says 2 hours and one says 20 minutes. I think it closed at 11. I think it's an hour and 20 minutes. Now, guys, let me ask you, do you guys prefer when you guys are trading with me? Because I saw you guys in the chat. I saw you guys in the chat that you guys were saying, like, I don't know, you guys were like, oh, maybe we should take a trade. I don't know if Mateo meant that he wanted to take a trade on the FTMO account, all you guys, and then just, like, show me after. Or I don't know if you guys wanted me, or, like, somebody said, where are you? Like, I don't know. Do you guys like, what's the reason that you guys like having me on? Is it specifically because you guys are waiting for these trades that we're trying to do this FTMO thing? Is it because you guys are like the analysis that I'm giving whenever we're on? Is it funner to trade as a community? Like, what is the reasonings that you guys like me hopping on stream? May I ask you that? You are so cool. This guy Frank. No fucking way GG is still going like that, dude. There's, oh my God. It's so funny how the human brain could come up with so many goddamn excuses to not want to do something, or like I could just come up with so many excuses. I was also thinking right now when price was melting, I was like, guys, and also I didn't take this long entry, and I was just coming up with another excuse of why I didn't take it. it's just an excuses, and excuses are for fucking pussies. But let me finish the excuse. I was scared to hop on stream and just take a trade within the first 5 seconds, especially then just get clapped within the first 5 seconds of being on stream. That shit would be fucking ridiculous. You are talking with more confidence and hope. You are talking with more confidence. You are talking with more confidence and hope. You called it when it was retracing. You are also a vibe man, so we can grow together and want to learn more about your strategy. You are also a vibe. Thank you, Votex. Thank you, Votex. And Emmanuel, you are talking. Do you mean that I talk more with confidence and, or like, I don't know. I need you to rephrase what you meant. I'm hoping now. Am I hope trading? To be honest, for me, I like the company of other traders, and especially one who trades the way I want to. Yeah, you and me, Frank, definitely learned from the same strategy, same styles, and I have been successful doing the same similar things. LMAO, hope trading. I know, but you mean like I've been hope trading lately? You called it when it was retracing. LMAO, hope trading. Oh no, this guy didn't write that. Manuel put something. I don't even know what I read anymore. Oh, you are talking with more confidence and hope. I put myself first so much I can't even think about missing trades because of teaching. I've been through the ups and downs of that. I recently did really good on it. I think the only thing that I've struggled in, if like, you know, if I had to be like a complete 100% strong critique, when it came down to taking trades for myself, like I said, and I had nothing to prove to anybody, it was so easy for me to hop into an entry. Let me go to my spreadsheet real quick. I'm just opening up the Discord. It was so easy for me to hop into an entry and not worry about anybody else and just be like, guys, if I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. Like, this isn't for me, it's not for you. And then when the win streak came, I kind of got even less care. Like the care was even less due to the fact that like I could easily just take once you're in profit on your account, it doesn't matter when you take a loss, especially if you're risk manager. Like all these trades were so easy to take. Not that it got harder to take, but literally right when I started deciding to do the FTMO challenge and have you guys. So when I have you guys, it's when I'm telling you guys the exact lot size, it changes just a little bit due to the fact that I could literally lose you money. So me hopping you into something is like, it's like I don't know if you're actually over risking. I don't know what your financial situation is. I don't know if I blow your account, if you guys are ever going to be able to buy another one. I don't know if you guys are on a $500 account that's 100K, but you guys are living on $1,000 a month. So this account is literally half the amount that you're living on a month. So there's just like so many factors that I'm trying to ignore. But like it's good to not ignore them completely, right? Everything's with balance, you know what I mean? Everything, never be too extreme with any ideology. And the balance is due to the fact that if it wasn't for me to just like we're at ultimate resistance, so I got a little bit unlucky. Now that we're at ultimate resistance, nonetheless, if I would have played out the same strategy, taking buys every time price retrace, we would have been fucking so many trades deep in profits. So it really just comes down to me and my execution right now with you guys in the back of my head, right? And I don't think that I've gotten worse at it. I think every day it gets better and better and better when it comes down to me letting you take that FTMO trade. Because every time I tell you guys, I'm sending a trade to the Discord, don't take that on the FTMO, we've most likely hit. Like we've only taken 5 losses when I take it to the Discord. When I take it to the Discord, we've only lost 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there was a 5th one that we lost live. I know that oh no, there's one in June. So we took 6 losses on live, 5 on the Discord. 5 losses have only been sent to the Discord. I think you should trade the way you usually trade. People can be in the challenge with your book. No, as I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna finish what I started. I'm gonna finish what I started because that is something that I know I could do. And I know that it's gonna be fucking the shit when the fuck I get Blodge an account. When the fuck I get Century, who the fuck is also, I know somebody, Voltex I think might be down 1% or 0.5%. I saw somebody else who was down 0.5%. Like, I know I can put you guys up 1%, 2%, and then we can risk those 2% and potentially get 4%. And then randomly, if we literally get 4% within 2 days, 3 days, we're gonna take multiple trades a day. Like, imagine, all right, next trade, I get you guys into fucking 0.5% up. Then we take another 1% trade, we're up 1.5%. At that point, we could take another trade that same exact day and risk the whole 1,500 with a 3-pip stop loss. And like, there's so many possibilities of like the fun gambling that comes. I haven't touched my level up. I don't know. I'm just here talking to you guys, giving you guys a little bit of the explanation of what's going through my head. I'm not worried at all. I'm not worried at all. I see that other people are worried, which gets me not frustrated, not worried. It's more of like it's where I see that I have to do something and act to keep you guys in a more senseful, calm mind. I have a 300K account. I haven't touched shit, dude. Only down 1%. That's nothing. It's literally nothing. And literally, me knowing that you guys are also down 1% just doesn't want me to put you guys down 2%. So what does that go to? What I mean, that sounds ridiculous. My point is that I'm not gonna take a risky setup. This, nonetheless, it played out. If I would like me taking a buy, it's super irresponsible. Now it's fun. It looks savage. Very irresponsible for me to want to take a buy while price is literally melting from ultimate resistance that quick. Now, why is it irresponsible? Because like I said before, it's more of that's an impulse trade. That's an impulse muscle memory trade. And muscle memory is not the best for me to give you guys an explanation. Peso will be the reason for my first payout. Oh shit. Blotch, chill now. Now you're giving me pressure. I told you to get the account, not the payout. I'm just kidding. Blodge, you've been trading nasty. Blodge is actually one of the people that every time, like, dude, look at the members analysis he's been sending lately. Well, this is fucking Sentry. Oh wow, this is a Sentry trade. Oh my god, Sentry, you fucking snipe, dude. I didn't execute on it. This is goat shit. Look at Blodge. Look at Blodge. Who the fuck would be? Look at, most people are like, oh, this is probably a sell. And look at Blodge taking fucking buys, going through the whole drawdown, getting to take profit. Look at Blodge over here also. Blodge is a beginner trader. Look at, this is the, he sent it before. He's not somebody who's sending the trade after. This is not that he put the P&L. Look, he said, this is the fucking entry. This is the entry according to how Dr. Peso trades. This is the fucking, whatever the fuck. Slipe. Look at this again. Blodge. Price is going up, catches the sell downwards. Snipe. Yeah, 1% is literally nothing. What Crack Effect said there, it doesn't matter, you still have to climb up. Doesn't see it as drawdown, 1% is nothing. Exactly. You being in profit 1%, you still have to make 9 more %. So you being down 1%, you still have to make all that percent. You that at no point nothing changed. You could be down 3% and you still had to make 3% to be into profit. Like unless you're not touching the account, not doing anything, those like being up 3% is the same thing as being being up 6%. Being down 3% is almost the same thing as being down 1%. It's almost the same thing as being down 5%. When you start getting to the extreme numbers, it starts changing a little bit. Dude, look at Blodge. Look at Blodge. I'm not over. It's not over. Look at this one. Blodge. Price is going upwards. Decides to take a sniper. Bam! Look at that shit, dude. Fucking crazy. I think there was another one. Blodge, look at Blodge. Before? Look at Blodge sending a before. After. Brother, this is a guy who said that he just barely started trading a month ago. Look at this, another one. Before. After. Boys, this is not made up. Like, this guy is literally sending them. Look, 407 cents. 458. 458. Like, he's not sending them. He's not he capping. He be trading. Yeah, Jay Delahavi, Blodge is acting like he's fucking just started trading. Yo, Blodge, good shit, brother. Look at this. Look at this one. I don't know if this one hit. No, so maybe this one didn't hit because he didn't send the after of it. But dude, to be fucking catching those type of trades, those are advanced trader trades. Those are not take a breakout buy, stop loss, and then break stop, sell stops, and buy stock. Fuck all that bullshit. That's a real fucking trade right there. Blodge, you like props off to you, brother. Props off to you. Big time. All those stop losses. That's a huge stop loss. No, it's fucking not. That stop loss is beautiful. Like, all those stop losses are great, dude. You're doing amazing. Fucking love it. All right, what did Jay Delavi say? Jay Delavi said, hi to the guy called Van Post. Blodge be calling out trades like a pro. W Blodge. I don't even know if Blodge is paying attention right now. Blodge is, yeah, dude. Blodge is one of the ones passing his FT ball count with me. Blodge, high key, I think he would have passed that shit already if he would have just taken his old trade. Just kidding. All right, guys. SPX. Hopefully we saw a little bit of a different movement. Oh my god. I'm like Blodge right now. Everything I put up with a P&L hits. Every P&L I put hits. Oh my god is right. Oh my god is very right. Dude. Is there a name for people that call out trades and don't take them? Besides pussies? And besides anything that's mean? Any funny names? Ah, dude. Jesus Christ. It's making me want to take an execution on fucking gold buys right now. That's the truth. That's the revenge in me. Being like, you know what, fuck it. Let's turn on savagery. Turn on savagery and do something like this. Seriously, Blodge is doing more than amazing. For trading that short period amount of time, he has great future as a trader. Start counting them dollar bills. Blodge, don't fucking stop what you're doing. Don't stop what you're doing. The more, dude, it's little. This is little. Blodge is here every day. Like, just keep on being here every single day. Whether it's here, whether it's somebody else's stream, whether it's like you already are grasping the knowledge that you need from me. You're not gonna need me for much longer at all. You understand exactly what I understand. It's exactly like why I feel like for example, like Frank. Frank is the perfect example I use. Whenever I have a bias, Frank is on the exact same side of the bias. Like we're trading, we're looking for the same exact type of setups. That's why I don't think he needs me. Like he's here because he's being entertained. He's here because he's like et cetera, all the other reasons of being here. But he's not here because he needs me. You don't need to be here. You don't have to be here because you need me. And yeah, Frank is always fucking calling out the same exact setup that I'm talking about. And also he has a great understanding of what the hell is happening with price action when it comes to the higher time frames. Like he'll be like, oh, we didn't pass this level, and if we didn't pass this level with this amount of volume, then we're clearly probably gonna hold this level to this and this. And that's all because you could tell that he's been trading for a good amount of time and been watching the same pairs. So Frank, hats off to you also, brother, and thanks for always showing support, brother. Big time. Big time, big time, big time. I'm literally about to fucking create a bot that just fucking hops into trades automatically and sends them every time I throw one of these. Because if it was like that, Jesus Christ, we'd be millionaires at this time. We have a bunch of goats in here. That's why I like bullish lifestyle. Van Post, you're one of those goats, brother. Even though if you feel like we're ever playing with you or we're not playing with you or like we all respect you, brother. Jeez, enough. Is it enough of me fucking missing entries or enough of the sweet talk? Actually, we just have to be in profit for a free retry. Yeah. Nah, I'm leaving even when I'm profitable all by myself. What's You're past that, bro. Yeah, liquidity, dude. I'll give it to whoever said. I'll give it to who said that Fridays were great for trading. Because Coda, I agree with you completely. Liquidity has been a blessing today for price. And I didn't think there would be this much liquidity at all. Dude, it's disgusting how, like, fuck, man. Oh my god. What's gonna disturb me is going, like, usually back then it was what would disturb me was, like, ending the week losing profits or ending the week winning profits. New to your channel and stay checking you because of the vibe and the energy, even at 3 a.m. Dark Water, I appreciate that. Dude, I really appreciate all you guys that fucking tell me that the vibes are high here, and it really is just fucking natural. I'm really just here trying to just be myself and fucking show you guys what I'm down to do. I really don't try hiding anything from you guys. Like I'll tell you guys, I had a bad end of the week. This was my bad end of the week. Like this is what you see me trading bad is. Me trading bad is missing entries left and right. I saw that I was missing entries. I tried fixing it. I remember when Dollar entered the stream. I told him and everything. I was like, brother, your execution is on fire. My execution needs to be worked on, etc., etc. These are like, guys, like I'm a trader also. I have my psychology battles. I have my ups and downs. I have my win streaks, my lose streaks. You guys, I think it was God's blessing, God's blessing that right when you guys started watching me stream, it was like God's plan. That's what I kept on calling it. That's what we called it within my close little group of friends. With Dollar also, we called this God's plan because nobody goes on a 9-win streak just like that out of nowhere. And out of nowhere, we go on a 3-loss streak to then just follow it up with another 10-win streak. Like that's something that not that I'm chasing again. But it's like I already held the standard that like it's close to impossible to tell you that that's the standard that's going to be held throughout the rest of the year, right? This is a 90% win rate month. This is an 80% win rate month. 80% win rate taking more than 20 trades. That shit's fucking. It really, all right, so then everything got a little bit more complicated when I was like, all right, now I'm going to tell you guys what lot size to take in everything and when to close the trade. And it's something that I know I can do. I need to be able to get myself ready to just be like just like ready to be like, guys, it's a win or lose thing. I know that you guys are ready to lose with me. You guys are clearly ready to lose with me. I don't know if I'm ready to lose with you. You know, I don't know if I'm ready to lose with you guys. But guys, we're gonna do it. I'm not shying away from anything. I got nothing to hide from you guys. I got nothing to lie about. We're here fucking being fully transparent. That was the whole point of the FTMO thing, to be fully transparent with everything that we're doing and just show you guys like the transparency of how it is to pass an FTMO challenge. Because I got people on my challenges, I mean, people on my chat that are paying other people to pass their challenge, and out of nowhere they blow their account or they'll fucking block them, and out of nowhere people are getting scammed because of challenge passing. And it's like, damn, people are investing $2,000, $3,000 for somebody to pass their challenge when they could literally risk that money themselves with a good profitable strategy and try to get funded themselves. And yeah, it's a complicated topic. There's a lot to go about it. Obviously, it's not all I mean, I'm making it sound pretty. I'm making it sound like there's light at the end of the tunnel. Discord. Thank you so much, Van Post, for sending. Thank you all the fucking moderators also. The moderators, you guys are literally the best. Guys, I posted you guys on the Instagram. Make sure you guys repost or do whatever you guys want with the post. I need to repost on my FX Peso also. Friday is my favorite trading day. Lots of volume. Dude, it is slaughtered today. Look at the gold. Like even like dude, it's just like The mental reset is necessary. A mental reset will be necessary. Wait, is there music still on? No, there's not. The playlist ended. How long has the playlist ended, boys? I hate when I'm talking and there's no music behind me. Everyone wants to make back for loss on Friday, so yeah. That's exactly what Fridays turn into. Fridays turn into people just, you take a loss on a Friday, you're going to want to revenge it before you go into the weekend. You took a loss on Thursday, you're trying to make it back on Friday. How will I reset myself? Monday, new start. Yeah, bro, the music was a part of the vibe. I agree. No, the music is the part of the vibe. My voice is definitely not the prettiest. I am the slickest. Is anybody in any trades right now that I want to look at? Anybody in any trades? Wondering what the hell's going down with the charts right now. Guys, let me repeat. Starting Monday, we're doing Zoom sessions. We do need fucking Omega. I think Dr. Dollar makes $70K a month. Sheesh. And where did that work? Well, that was very random. That was very random. Why do you think I mean, I'm not even gonna ask. Just know that Dollar's always winning. Dollar is always winning. We need some Omega. We do need some Omega. Guys, so Zooms, time for the Zoom. What I'm speaking with my bullish lifestyle team is that soon, not anytime near future, I'm talking about maybe 1 month from now, maybe 2 months from now, we're going to close down the live streams. We're going to close down the live streams with a bit more services being offered. We are going to still have free live streams, but nonetheless, the big juicy ones, the big ones, the best live streams, the real ones where we're actually catching trades left and right. I'm going to download my MetaTrader and everything so you guys could see. I'm at drive through. My bad traffic is crazy and also looking like a reject. The US 30 at 99 reject toward the downside. Wait, US 30. US 30 is moving different from S&P a little bit. Fuck, man. Sold early on the GJ buy. I took with big regret. Damn, Slick. You took the GJ buy? Did you take the GJ buy? Oh, wait. I think you told me. I think you said, oh, I'm in the GJ buy. Yeah, you were one of the ones that said you were in the GJ buy. Did you take it when I was calling it out? Did you take it because I called it out, or did you take it just because you liked it all the way at the bottom when it started melting? All right, guys. So starting on Monday, have a camera, have a fucking mic, and we're gonna start doing Zooms. And then they asked me what time. So what I came to a conclusion with is that I did a little bit of data research on my spreadsheet because I analyze everything that I do throughout the week. Like I said, I feel like I've gone through a little bit of a slump with my executions. My trading towards the last 3 days have not been top of the notch. Funny because off stream I've caught great trades. I'm talking about like my live execution, which is but whatever. Price went down and took the first level from 172.4. What I wanted to tell you guys is that I think, all right, so what I took out of analysis is that, guys, we were doing really good when we were to take trades. Look, this trade was opened 1 hour before London. This trade went after, like, most of these trades were literally way before London session. So I'm thinking that I want to start taking trades at 2 a.m. Eastern. Like, I'm not taking trades. I want to go to my live streams at 2 a.m. Eastern next week. So because I talked with my Bullish Lifestyle team and soon these live streams are going to be private, I always go on rants and I forget what I was going to say. What I was saying was that because the live streams are going to be private, I need to now come up with a consistency, like a way of being able to hop on and a consistent time of hopping on and hopping off, hopping on and hopping off. One, I know that we're going to be doing it with Zoom. So Zooms are going to be starting up on Monday, right? And then 2, I think I'm going to start getting on live stream at 2 o'clock, which is 1 hour before London session, not 30 minutes before London session, not at London session open, 2 o'clock, because I'm always up at 12 o'clock. Therefore, I could easily just fucking, like I'm Slick as says, roll up a blunt at 12 o'clock, smoke for an hour, and then by fucking 1 o'clock, when I'm getting ready for the live stream. So we're 1 hour before London session. It's going to be back to the first times I ever streamed. I used to think that this was a little bit too early. Looking at the data that I've taken with all these trades, trading early is where I trade my best. Trading early is where I definitely trade my best. Therefore, I'm the slickest. Slick blocker, and I'm the slickest. Oh shit, we got a battle of the slickest. So yeah, that's the time we're gonna be trading. Got to get one for the Discord, brother. At Century, why was that? That's gonna be so embarrassing. I can understand everything, but talking is another level. That's gonna be so embarrassing. I can understand everything, but talking is another level. Century is talking about that Century's Century speaks Spanish. English talk was never my strongest point. Nah, yeah, he's just this guy said, nah, you're just slick, not slick. You guys are funny. All right, let's look at German 40, boys. Guys, did I hit my German 40 trade or did I not hit my German 40 trade? Oh my god, nothing even popped up right there. German. Is it German 30 or 40? Brother, it doesn't matter if your guys' English is not good. My English isn't good either. I mean, it's, yeah, all right, that was fucking stupid to say. Trust me, my English is not what you guys think. Can't be slicker than slick. Whenever I go to play, like I'm from Miami, like I have a very Miami American, I mean not American accent. I have a very Miami accent. It's starting to get a little bit American-y, but whenever people hear me talk, like if I go to somewhere where it's full of Americans and they hear me speak English, they ask me where I'm from. I've had that so many times where people go, "Oh, where's your accent from?" And I go, "What? I have an accent? I lived in Miami my whole life and I didn't know I had an accent until I went to like a different place in fucking United States where they told me, yeah, you have an accent." And I was like, what the fuck is that supposed to mean? I didn't even know that I had an accent. And yeah, apparently I got an accent, boy. So to anybody who is in here that is purely American, you guys could maybe confirm to me, do you guys think I have an accent or am I getting down the darn old American ways? Be aware, dunking off camera was always end sentence. Wait, be aware, dunking off camera always end the sentence with boy. The American. You're tripping. I started feeling the Americanness hitting me when I started playing golf. That's when I was like, oh god, that's what it is to be an American. Brian Martinez says, what's up, perro? I think he meant to put peso. But what up? What up, brother? How's everything, Brian? Guys, it's so funny. Every P&L that I'm throwing is just fucking smashing. I don't even know what the fuck. Duncan is not coming to Tokyo. I'm just messing with you, papi chulo. ¿Qué pasa, papi chulo? ¿Todo bien? Guys, we have a bunch of Spanish speakers in here, and we're gonna have a great fucking Zoom. So guys, remember, Zoom session on Monday. Zoom session on Monday. We're doing Zoom session, and we're zooming it live. We're gonna do live Zoom sessions. Might as well while you guys are here, guys. What do you guys like more? Do you guys think that this overlay is a little bit too crazy? Does this look a little bit too crazy for you guys? You're right. You guys are right. You guys like this one? Does this one look chillin'? I need to add way more to this one. This one's supposed to have Pesos lifestyle up top. Wait, I think this is the main one. Oh, this is it right now. Damn, boys. Damn, is that I have an editor. My editor made that. I made this. I made the one that you guys are looking at right now, and my editor kind of saw that I took 12 hours to make this. No, I took 9 hours. I sat down on my computer at 6 o'clock and I got off at 4 o'clock in the morning to make this. Only this. But like I also did a whole bunch of not L editor. No, chill. This is all she does is she asks for she does what we're asking for. So we ask for something a little bit more with emotion. So if we give the wrong ideas, then the wrong thing gets produced. You see? But the editor is literally what's fucking without my editor, without my videographer editor. Oof. Yeah, it is very seizure prone. All right. We'll take your guys' advice. We'll make sure we feed back. We'll get something. We're gonna do something new going, or we keep this one. Who knows? But yeah, you guys are hilarious, dude. You guys are so funny the way you guys react. You guys can be so savage, and it's awesome. Like in the internet, there's no lying on the internet. There's no hiding on the internet. Everything is just straight up how it is. Like everybody can tell their opinion, no filter, just boom. Oh my god. AJ, calm down. Calm down, AJ. How the hell AJ know almost my editor's name? What the fuck? This is hilarious. I'm gonna take a photo of this. Where is it? Where the fuck is it? Oh, it says right there. Is your editor Christina? Is your editor Christina? Krista? You guys are funny, dude. Euro facturando? What did Euro catch? What did Euro catch? Euro caught something on US 30? Euro facturando. Oh, US 30 sells? Dirty sells? Yo, US, so guys, Euro is actually the guy that I want to start sending signals. So remember I told you guys that I want to start sending signals on oh wow, he actually did catch the bounce. Euro, you still in here? Low-key, I thought Crystal was Miguel's girlfriend. Alright, Euro is actually the guy that I want to start what is it called? Remember I told you guys that I want to start sending trades of the Euro NZD trades, Euro USD trades, maybe, or anything with Euro pairs. I think I want to start sending trades. What is going on with what? The Crack FX? Duncan must be on a random golf courses out of the 6 that he has closed. Wait, what? Duncan must be on a random golf courses out of the 6. I don't understand. I don't understand. De la vi. Repite. No creo que lo escribiste bien. No entendí bien lo que escribiste. Dude, I'm so tired of this. I'm tired of catching trades. If that makes any sense. Duncan must be on a random golf course. Boys. Next week, you guys already know. When I start fucking throwing my P&Ls, whenever I start throwing those little fucking buy things, just fucking take them. Just take them. I'm literally destroying the fucking chart up and down, left and right, and I'm I am the slickest is like, yo, fuck this guy's live trades. I'm just gonna fucking wait. I'm gonna ask him what he thinks about a parent and ask him to throw up a P&L. Literally just ask me what you think about a parent and let me throw up a P&L. That's the way, that's the easy way to do it. Like, like, look! Oh my god, and it pisses me off, dude. It just pisses me off how I just knew that this is the only, like, I would not have taken a sell on SPX. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. I hate using that. My first time here, I just missed the move. Brother, look at that. And look at that. Oh, it's a frustrating world out here, boys. Guys, if it's your first time here, just make sure that you guys go in the description. You guys will be able to find my personal Instagram. You guys will be able to find my Instagram. You guys will also, you guys will also be able to find the Discord in the link in the description. Discord will be in the link in the description, right? Somebody, if you want, you can send the Discord. If you guys go to the Discord, you guys can go to the spreadsheet section. In the spreadsheet section, you will be able to find how we did in April. All the trades that we take live and send are all being managed and logged. This is what we did in May. In June, we have only taken 2 trades. We have done nothing in June. We have been shitting around doing nothing. Look at this guy joined and everything. Yeah, he joined the live stream. I mean, thank you guys for joining the Discord. Thank you for joining the live stream. Make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications. We fucking live stream every. Well, it's kind of hard to say that because I haven't been on the last 2 London sessions. Duncan left on my sports trading server. I quit. Did you? No, I didn't. Brother, I have it open. Oh fuck. Maybe I did leave. Why is this out here? I apologize, AJ. I can join again. Send me. I have your invite right here. Young AJ. You're gonna need an invite. All right. Can I still enter your buy on gold? No, do not enter the buy on gold. Oh my god, AJ. Dude, this guy. Dude, stop with the link. Yo, you guys are hilarious. What do we have? We don't have any private messages, AJ. We got nothing to hide, right? No. All right, change the topic. What the topic of the situation? What the what the fuck? Yo, AJ's so funny, dude. Let's take a trip. Have you ever read the word is yours on a blimp? Oh my god, I hear Euro entering. I'm about to get a coffee. AJ, I just went through our messages. We got nothing, brother. Dude, you're a beast. Thank you so much. Guys, I literally fucking basically called out this buy on XPX, called out this buy on gold, called out fucking this buy on GJ all the way down here. And very, very, very few got to execute because I didn't tell anybody to pull actual triggers. How many pips do you average on target on your live accounts, bro? Wait, how many pips on average do you target on your live accounts? I usually target only like 30 pips to 40 pips. Leak AJ's number. No, dude, there's nothing. I'm literally looking at AJ's messages with me through whatever I went through. Literally just talking about gambles. And then I sent him my goddamn bank account. Like, if anything, I leaked myself. Look at these messages I got with AJ. I'm showing him how much. I sent him my bank account statements of income. Income, 10,000 a month September. October 19,000 or 18,000, November 9,000, that was a week, 10,000 another week month, 14,000 a bit average. I was sending him my bank account. I don't even know why. I only leaked myself, brother, not you. Also on US 30, which is familiar movement with the SPX 500 liquidity. Don't leak IP again. Nah, bro, leak the bro. AJ's afraid that you guys are gonna see that me and AJ have a secret relationship. AJ has literally been in love with me for a while. Don't leak the IP again. Also on US 30, which is a similar movement on SPX liquidity zone. It's wait. Also on US 30, which is similar movement with SPX. It's in a liquidity zone, dude. US 30 has been moving kind of different from fucking SPX for the last. And obviously they obviously move basically the same, confluence, almost the same thing, but like they've been having different pops. They've been definitely having. Wow, this is a lot cleaner of a chart. There's no fucking way people miss out on easy trades like this. Like, it's me. It's me. Wanna know what song I want to put right now? And I'm gonna probably lose everybody if I put the song. I'm not gonna put the song. Miguel, do you know anybody named Crystal? This guy's. Miguel necesita un té de peinilla. I have no idea. I don't even know what that is. Dude, look at gold, boys. I swear to God, I will smash my screen in right now. I literally will smash my screen in right now. What time do I start my live streams? All right, boys. So, guys, attention to everybody. Attention to everybody. Everybody. Live streams next week are gonna start 1 hour earlier from when they're supposed to start. Yes, we're like next week. I will assure you guys. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. There's a 50% chance. But Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Fuck it. Friday we'll give it 100% chance. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Pre-London, before pre-London. I'm talking about we're gonna trade. We're gonna be there for the whole pre-London. So I'm hopping on at 2 a.m. Eastern. So you guys have to calculate what that is. 2 a.m. Eastern. 2 a.m. Eastern. That was one. That was the first announcement. 2 a.m. Eastern, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The whole week. We're gonna make sure we get a full week of live trading because we only got 43 viewers now, and we're supposed to be in the high 150s. Nah, maybe low 150s. We're supposed to be in the 140s, 130s. So next week, every single day, we're gonna live stream for a very long amount of time. Also, we're gonna be doing this with Zooms. We're gonna have a Zoom. We're gonna have Zoom. I'm gonna send the Zoom link to everybody. And if you have a mic, if you have a mic, you're allowed to speak. The only condition is your mic has to be good. If you have any fucking those mics that are any of that, muted right away. Muted. There's no time for that. No distraction. Right? Second thing, don't do anything crazy on camera. We don't want no fucking butts being leaked. I don't want to see nobody feeding grapes to their fucking loved ones in bed. I don't want to see any weird shit. So if you don't got a fucking mic that don't, no weird shit, guys. Just and yeah, dude. I don't know if your MacBook mic is gonna cut it. Hopefully it will, Blodge. just know, yeah. How do we get the link? I'm gonna send the link to the Discord group, guys. If you guys is this your first time here? Smoking weed is allowed. Smoking weed is very allowed. I'm a trader. Okay, cool. Dude, I'm so impressed that literally everything that I've put up P&L wise today has hit, and literally that's been the story of the week. Everything, boys. Like, are you fucking kidding me? That pisses me off. Oh, what times do we get around them? 7:20 for me. So if London Open is at 8:30, yes, 7:20. 7:20 for people that you guys work with London times. 7:20. I am gonna get on at 2 a.m. Eastern. So what is 2 a.m. Eastern? Let's go. 2 a.m. Eastern to what? To what? What do I put? To what? to London time. What's the London time too? Let me just put that. 7 a.m. every single day, 7 a.m. I can assure you guys that. I will promise you guys that. I'm making a commitment to you guys that we will be here 7 a.m. Monday through Friday with Zooms starting next week, right? If this is your first time here, link is in the description. Make sure you guys follow all our fucking social medias where we're posting constantly. Let me show you guys the Discord group. Sentry, everybody, can you guys please send all the things, all the links, send the Discord links, send the spreadsheet. You guys, I'll send the link to the spreadsheet in the comment section. If you guys want to check out the spreadsheet, you guys can also find it in the Discord. What is the spreadsheet? The spreadsheet is all the trades that we have taken live since our opening of Bullish Lifestyle. It is in the Discord. It is the spreadsheet has been sent also. The link is going to be right there. Instagram's the Bullish Lifestyle also just barely got sent. The Bullish Lifestyle, my personal page on Instagram also personally got sent there. If you guys have any questions, you guys can message me there. This is how we did in April. This is how we did in May. In June, we have taken 1 loss, 1 win, and we have been nine days into trading. So we have actually been very slow into June. Up to the moment, this Discord group is free. There's nothing that is being paid for. And make sure that you guys, if there's anybody that messages you guys acting as peso, guys, remember, I will not message you guys asking for anything. So please do not fucking fall for any scammers. Bro, let them do whatever they want. They can literally save my Pornhub description, dog. They can literally save my Pornhub description. I mean, I don't really care if you guys see my Pornhub description. I don't even got no porn here. Just more of a, I meant more of a, I mean, I don't know. I don't want to get banned, guys. Remember, I got YouTube. We're on YouTube, so that's why I say you guys can't do any weird shit. And sometimes, like, yeah, you know, don't fucking get me in trouble. That's what I mean. And so links to the Discord description, the trading months, you guys a free chat. If you guys want to send your members analysis, we can see that. What else was I gonna say? Zoom. Zoom's gonna be open. Anything else? Any other little announcements that I gotta make? Oh, guys. So once in the chat, if you guys did like the idea of me having if me like, it wouldn't be personally me, guys. And it wouldn't be, but I have somebody that I trust enough to be able to send different like setups constantly every single day on the Euro pairs, whether it be Euro USD, Euro NZD. And then if that person is sending the setups, if he's taking any trades on his personal account, which he's a profitable trader, he will be able to send that trade also to the group, and you guys will be able to you guys will be able to pay attention to his biases. If you guys like that, one's in the chat. One's in the chat if you guys want a Euro Telegram group to be open. It would be on Telegram. If you guys want another like little random free Bullish Lifestyle with different setups to be sent constantly there, if you guys think that's a good idea, one, Balaj is always fuck yeah. And then so it's because a lot of the time there's a lot of other setups that are being played out, and a lot of different people that could, like, there's so many good EU callouts and Euro NZD callouts. All right, let me read everything. Every setup is good to learn. Every setup is good to learn. All right, let's do it. So you guys will be able to, so if you guys do end up like, so my thing is I want to do it just like Dr. Dollar has somebody taking the DAX trades for him or whatever. Like, I want to have somebody taking Euro trades for me. What got deleted? What the hell? I'm not understanding what's happening. It's funny, dude. Nobody, guys, for you guys to, there's moderators in here, but guys, if you guys get on the wrong side of young AJ, he's one of the moderators that he's like the bad cop here, right? We got a bunch of good cops, and he's like the bad cop. He's like the guy that you tick him off. Even if you tick him off, you're gonna tick him off, and he's gonna want to ban you. So just make sure you guys don't tick off young AJ here, because young AJ is the main moderator. Everything he says, I will allow. AJ, just make sure you don't get crazy with it. But yeah. Yeah, AJ's the best, brother. AJ is literally the young AJ. AJ's probably one of the youngest dudes here, and AJ is one of the funniest. Bro, they are banning everyone. For real? Why are people getting banned? Lonely Trader, you're a beast. Thank you so much for supporting for the channel. Guys, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys join the link in the description for the Discord. The Discord will have my spreadsheet. Guys, I have a spreadsheet that I created for you guys. Miguel, if you're listening right now, I need you to send me the link of the spreadsheet that we can send for people to have their own trading log. I have also a link for you guys to be able to have your own trading log that you guys can save on your own computer. Nonetheless, my spreadsheet, to be able to, it updates by itself automatically. You guys can click on this link whenever you guys want, and you guys will be able to see my trading log track record. All the Discords, all the signals sent to the Discord are here, and the admin signals, right? This is since we started.
gains and losses. I have stopped updating that. I need to start updating that more. Our free chat. If you guys are in the live stream, you guys want to send your analysis. We always check out people's analysis here. Frank is sending something to the members analysis, so I'll probably check that out right now. We live stream every London session. We're gonna start live streaming next week with Zoom starting at 2 a.m. Eastern. So starting at 2 a.m. Oh wait, what am I saying? 2 a.m. Eastern, which is 7 o'clock London time, UK time, ET. Wait, what the fuck? What is 7 a.m.? What is this 7 a.m. for? What time zone is this? GMT. There you go. No, that's not even it. All right, whatever. Wait, what did? Let's see. Right, 300 seconds for Manny. Why did Manny get banned? Come to Tokyo. I'll do it in a moment. Wait, AJ, if you ban Kamzat Chimaev, we'll come after you. Where has bro been? Voltex, any last words? Don't ban Voltex. Voltex is bro. LOL. Lodge my Jeep. I would like to go to Tokyo. Actually, I didn't. Word. Actually, I didn't do shit. Who the fuck? As hell not. Yo, AJ, did you ban anybody? Who? There was no reason to ban anybody up to the moment. So make sure. I hope none of my moderators banned anybody. I'm pretty sure they're all just messing around in the chat, being funny. If you are banned right now and you cannot type, make sure you message me and you guys just let me know. AJ always goes crazy. AJ literally is always going crazy. AJ always he's ready, which I need somebody to be aggressive, because if we always need good cops and bad cops. GBP AUD right away, sir. GBP AUD. I also need to probably open up the members analysis. GBP AUD. Wow. Why is GBP AUD melting like that? So clearly the Australian dollar, but it's probably because the US dollar is strengthening, and the Australian dollar and the US dollar. Mistake me if I'm wrong, guys. What was the currency pair that had 80% to 70 to 80% of their currency reserved in gold? If I'm not mistaken, is it Australian? Is it the Australian dollar that has majority of their reserves in gold, or is it with the New Zealand dollar? I cannot remember. I used to look up those things, but where's all the majority? It's AUDC. No. If you guys know what I'm guys talking about, what currency pair has like 70 to 80% of their money all reserved? It's AUD. Lonely Trader, are you asking me to take out AUDCHF, or are you damn, dude, it might be Australian dollar. Where's the link of the Zoom in the Discord? Isam, I think you misunderstood. Starting next week when I go live, I will send the live stream and I will send the Discord. I will send a Zoom link. We haven't done a Zoom yet. We have not done Zoom yet. Is there music going on in the background? Yeah, there is. Okay, bro. Oh, I haven't drank my coffee. Guys, you're okay. Brought me a fucking coffee, dude. This is what you have friends for in this life. The fucking... Dude, that is fucking... Oh. Coffee. Miguel Gomez. Duncan, how much right now? Need a coffee and a blunt. For you to manage accounts. I will not manage accounts. I will not manage accounts. Right now, how much you need me to manage accounts? Cap. I mean, I might in the future. Who knows? Up to the moment, I have no plans for it, though. For me to manage an account, for me managing an account, I would be so realistic with it, and I'll tell you guys, the only thing I could promise you guys is that you guys don't end up blowing the account, and that's it. When is an EA coming out? Dude, there's so many things AJ coming out so soon, brother. And the reason I've held off on dropping a lot of things is that, guys, I am here for the long term, not for a short term. I don't want to just fucking be one of those people that pop off and then just like disappear and then get fucking fall off because of some bullshit, or like, we're here for the long run, right? We're going to be here for the rest of the year. We're going to be here for the rest of the next year. We're going to be here fucking building and the community is only going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. We're here for the long term. Wait, that's why this guy said he's here for... I'm the slickest. Are you here for the EAs or are you here for the long-term growth? What is shorting GJ? What is your strat? it's a bit late in the session for me to give you a breakdown of my strategy. If you guys want to look at the trades that I've taken, you are very, very off when it comes down to. Why did they block your account? What did you do to get your account blocked? Oh, is it Manny? Is that Manny? Sharmila Sony, is that you? No. Do not sell now. Please do not sell now. Zane, I'm paying attention to you. I'm just not selling now. Well, the reason I said that you're very off on what my strategy is I trade retracements. I understand what's happening on the higher time frames. And then no, don't ban Manny. Manny, don't ban Manny. Don't ban Manny. Don't ban any. Yeah, look, I've only freaking taken buys with you guys. Buys for 2 months straight. I've only taken buys, and we're getting into the 3 months straight where I've only taken buys. So what is my strategy on GJ? My strategy on GG for the last few months, because I only trade GG every London session, I only take one trade a session, right, has been to be able to catch retracements due to the fact that I understand that we're at a higher time frame. On the higher time frames, we're very bullish, right? If we go to look at the monthly, we see that we've been very bullish for how many months in a row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months in a row, almost a full year. If we go to the weekly, oof, hella weeks in a row. So now we go to the daily. So everything that I've been noticing is that, hey, probability-wise, if you want to be a profitable trader, taking buys is more probable. Like the probability chance of buys hitting is more probable than sells, right? So what have I been doing? I've been catching retracements. Every time price has been going down, making lows and catching levels of support, right? This is ultimate resistance right here. This ultimate resistance turned into a support. So every time we bounce off these levels like this and like this is where I'm looking for buys. My buys have also been a lot bigger stop loss than people usually throw. Like I've been throwing 25 pip stop losses, 35 pip stop losses, even 40 pip stop losses. And I've been letting those trades play out. And the larger the stop loss, it lets you, when you have a large stop loss, it allows you to actually get the bias correct and not get stopped out, right? If I were to throw a stop loss all the way down here and then a take profit all the way up here, the only thing I need to do is get the bias correct. And if I would have taken the trade anywhere around here, I would have hit the trade if I got the bias correct, right? So the bigger the stop loss, the higher the chance you have of not getting stopped out and getting the bias correct. So if you have the bias correct with a large stop loss, most likely you will hit take profit. That's why I like larger stop losses than less, right? So I've been taking retracements. Also, what is a part of my strategy is that I've been taking 0.5% trades for whenever I do not like the retracement completely. So imagine price is falling and I want to take a buy, because I take retracement buys all the time. If I don't like that there's not enough confirmations, I'm going to enter at 0.5% risk. 0.5% risk is going to give me the possibility. Like imagine I thought that this was the low right here and I'm risking, this is my stop loss, right? I enter right here and then we start going into drawdown towards my stop loss. The second I start getting towards my stop loss, I'm going to double from 0.5% risk to full percent risk. I'm going to now extend my take profit to now a full take profit. Now 1% also, 1% also, and then I'm going to give my trade a chance to actually play out and not get stopped out, because I'm due to the fact that I might have had a early live stream. All right, John Paul has a live stream. John Paul does live stream. I think he should live stream. Pretty sure. Why? Manny, aren't you from John Paul live stream? No, Manny. I know exactly who Manny is because I've been you guys know who Manny is, but you guys don't know him as Manny. Manny, I'm not even gonna say who Manny is because I don't want anybody to. Guys, I don't want to see any conflict in between the chat ever. Please. So AJ, do your job, please. Not your job. Do your thing. Just don't make sure you don't start shit. I don't know if you were being accused. I don't know if he's being accused or of AJ was just being accused. AJ 300 seconds to Manny. It wasn't. No, I think AJ said he was being accused that he didn't ban anybody, but they were just saying it was him. Regardless, Manny might deserve a ban, so it's perfectly fine. He wanted to be moderator though, so that's funny. That's the funny. That's the irony in this all. And nah, AJ good. AJ's being set up. I don't know, AJ, and you don't even answer. We've been like talking about it for the last 5 minutes. Did you ban anybody or not? Who already has a funded account in the chat? Me and another one in phase 1. I'm pretty sure there's a good amount of people with funded accounts in the chat. Very good amount. Like for example, AJ has a funded account, Miguel has a funded account, Frank probably has a funded account, Voltex most likely has a funded account.
Let me see. The Crack FX also has a funded account. Pablo, who always comes, is also one of the people that have a funded account. There's a pretty good amount of people with a funded account. Look at that, the Crack FX. What broker do you prefer? What broker do I prefer? If you're asking me. Manny, do you know who banned you? Does it tell you who banned you? Lots of mods in here. It's funny. It's funny that there are lots of. I mean, I don't think that there's lots of mods, truthfully, because I have like I think there's one, two. I think I have 7 mods. The thing is, I only got 50 viewers right now, and not a lot of people talking but the mods. Usually, there should be around like 100 people in here. Dollar talked on stream that he didn't get paid or something went wrong with the prop firms on FTMO, and one of the more of the. What do you think of that? John Paul be managing accounts for real. Yo, AJ, don't be AJ. What you trying to do here? He said that he said that's why he is trading on live account because prop firms doing shit. No, I don't want to ban you, Manny, but I have no idea. Why'd you get banned, Manny? You must have done something. Who knows? Did that US 30 end up playing out? Let's see what US 30 did. US 30. I want to jump in and buy on GJ. Slick blocker. GJ isn't GJ closed, boys? No, like anything on GJ right now is not even close to being a good trade. Not even like remotely close. Not even remotely close, boys. Yo, Miguel, are you still in the chat? Miguel, tell me if you're in the chat. Oh wait, my chat's going down. I haven't even seen. Y'all don't go crazy. It's Friday. Miguel is in the chat. All right, are you streaming on London, guys? So for anybody who was new here, we're gonna start streaming next week every single day. I could now give you guys the promise that I will be here. Look, face-to-face promise. Look at me. To you guys, I will be here every single day, starting for you guys, most of you guys, UK time, London time, 7 a.m. Live streams are gonna start. Live streams might be a little bit shorter though. They might be a little bit shorter. What's cap? I can't read the messages right now. All right, and then we're also gonna start on Monday. We're gonna start doing these live streams with Zooms. So if you guys want to be a part of the live streams with Zooms, you guys need to make sure you guys join the Discord because the Zoom link will be sent to the Discord. That's funny. Frank hates fucking attention. He won a giveaway and he gave away the money. Oh no, that was John. And then you got fucking Van Post who watermarks his fucking setups and shit, which I fucking support the hustle. Let Van Post do his thing. But he goddamn watermarks the goddamn setups and everything. You guys are so funny. You guys are hilarious. Van Post, I support the grind, brother. At least, like, I mean, I honestly do like the fact, like, you guys, I don't mind this type of stuff. Like, this just means that you guys are being active and helping the community. I like when you guys are active in the community. And Van Post, you got to give us a call out. Next trade you take, send the setup, Van Post. Van Post. You must send the setup next time you take. I want you to go to my signals, copy and paste this format right here, and send us a signal. Give us a goddamn signal, Van Post. Miguel says, Van Post, what you should do is just put it in the middle and just fade it a little bit. It makes it a little bit, you know, high key. It makes it even more high key. I love how Van Post is always hanging around. Also, you can tell Van Post is a trader though, because he's always here every single night. Every single night he's trading, and every single night he's like there on the goddamn like he's active. Like he's active as fuck. Van Post, where are you from again? Giveaway. Diva Ready giveaway. Guys, so we have done about, I'm gonna throw a random number out there, about $400 in giveaways. Oh, this guy's in LA, I remember. I always ask and I forget. There's no giveaway today. On Monday, there will be a giveaway. First Zoom session, first Bullish Lifestyle Zoom session, there will be a giveaway. Guys, make sure if you guys are new here, you guys join the... Ooh! That's exactly what happened. The fucking young AJ hates when people start asking for money. So Manny must have been Manny was one of the people that have been asking for a giveaway so like repeatedly, which is fine. It's fine, you know? And and what I was gonna say is I mean, if you're gonna be persistent was asking for a giveaway, I don't mind it, but my moderators might, and I respect that, you know? So if one of my moderators does not like that you guys are persistent. Now, if you guys ask once, I don't think you guys deserve to get banned. So AJ, make sure if they ask once and you know they don't get banned, because I'm always promoting the giveaway. But I'll give it to you on the Manny guy, the Manny person who knows who he is. No, I know you did. Oh, today. Well, why'd you get banned, brother? Manny. All right, we're gonna do, dude. I need to do something with Manny very soon because Manny's getting on my good side. Manny was on my very bad side, and up to the moment, Manny got onto my good side. Oh, no one got banned. They just deleted their message. My bad, AJ. I'll stop saying that. AJ knows what he's doing, bro. I need to stop doubting AJ. That's why I said if AJ bans somebody, it's for a reason. I don't doubt you, AJ. I was just making sure that the people in the chat know to not fear you because I trust you. Miguel, what was I gonna say with you, brother? Miguel, look at this. I got feedback for people if they liked the overlay, and they kind of all said that they kind of like this one more. One's in the chat if you guys like this overlay that I have on right now that we've been using the whole time. Two's in the chat if you guys like this overlay right here. Two's in the chat if you guys like how the screen looks right now with the chart obviously in the middle. One's in the chat if you guys like it how it is right now and how we're using it. Please give me the feedback, boys. I need some feedback. We need some feedback. So one's for how we have it right now. One's for how we've had it right now. Type 1 in the chat if you guys like how it is right now. Type 2 in the chat if you guys like this new one. This new one right here. So 2's in the chat if you guys like how it looks right now. Obviously the camera should be fixed. I'm talking about more of the overlay. And then 1's in the chat if you guys like it right now, how it is. All right, that's the feedback that I needed. Sentry's hilarious. No, I perfectly see what you guys are saying when you guys talk about the staticness and how like I see perfectly your guys' opinion, and I can agree. I can agree with you guys. Now hop on Among Us with the boys, Miguel, and the rest of us. The flashing lights, guys. We need to play some more chess, and we're gonna play some more. We should play some Among Us. All right, you are hurting Miguel Domo's feelings. He runs number 2. I think number 2 looks sexy as fuck. Now, is the sexy as fuck the necessary thing always? No. Sometimes you don't gotta look sexy as fuck. Sometimes, you know, keeping it simple is the way to go. I don't know though. I'm not a fucking Duncan. We have to do Among Us with the moderators to find the imposter and make justice for Manny. Number 2 with a static background. So you guys clearly like the static more. So the people that did like 2, the reason they like 2 was due to the fact that they just like the borders and they like the colors. So maybe they'll like 2 with a more staticky background, or maybe I could slow down the rhythm of how it's moving and make it move like 10 times slower. I'll see what I do on the weekend. Thank you guys for the feedback. The reason I ask you guys because you guys are the ones that are my screen looks normal. My screen looks very normal. When I look at my stream, yeah, my stream is, so it's for you guys. The stream is for you guys. So I'm trying to have that up to accord and up to par. Ehab. If Ehab is still here, let me know, because I owe Ehab a fucking chess match. Not now on live stream. I'll do one later. Gold decided to end up coming down. US. Let's see what the German 40 did real quick. If German 40 hit, nope, German 40 did not hit yet. Number 2, that is the charts and the stuff will cover the middle, so it's not gonna be that. Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense, guys. Also, this also doesn't have the charts in the middle. With the chart in the middle, this would change. Oh my god. Don't do that. How do you guys change your name like that so quick? I don't get that. US 30 is flying. Wow. So 2 London Opens. So I caught the SPX trade last London Open. This one right here. And it was because London opened with a strong bearish candlestick where I was like, oh, that's not gonna hold. And I caught the long. This time we were at ultimate resistance, and I was like, dude, what's the chance that we're actually just gonna explode during the London Open? German 40 won't move. New York done. That's a London pair. No, I know. I mean, I don't know. Like, I know, but I was just seeing it. I mean, it was moving. Somebody told me to check German 40, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna throw this and see if this actually starts going into profit. Wait. What did Sentry say? There's so many messages. Ha, Miguel is starting with his Friday's trolling session. Guys, did Miguel send a trade today? Nope. La próxima misión es quitarle. Oh my god. Jay Delavi knows that Miguel's the troller. It's funny how Miguel, one of our moderators in here, Jay Delavi's literally been helping. Jay Delavi helped me when I accidentally leaked my IP address on live stream a couple streams ago, boys. I deleted the stream, so if you guys are trying to find it, you guys won't be able to find it. And if you guys actually do find it, I changed my whole IP after that live stream. Fucking changed everything. So, guys, we're just starting to do this. This is the beginning of Bullish Lifestyle. If you guys like the live stream, you guys stuck around, make sure, like I said again, I'm sorry for the repetitiveness. It's just because I'm getting ready to end this live stream pretty soon due to the fact that it was not my end of the week. I will say it probably wasn't. I think at the beginning of the week we had a good beginning of the week. Wasn't my end of the week. Was not my end of the week. A lot of setups missed. A lot of setups that could have been taken easily missed. Man, it's the churning game. You know, we like I said, I got nothing to hide from you guys. We got nothing to shy from. You know, nothing to shy from, nothing to hide from. Also, I mean, I was gonna say no standards to live up to, but there are, I guess. The main thing I want you guys to remember, guys, is that, guys, it's not always gonna be fucking like this. This is the how we did in April. This is how we did in May. It's not always gonna be like that. Let's see how we end here in June. Nonetheless, we're not. It's not that I'm telling you we're not gonna be fucking profitable, but like these win streaks are to maintain that type of standard. That standard is very high. That's a very high standard, and I'm excited to. I feel like we could maintain somewhat near that standard. I'm not saying it's far. I'm saying it's not hard. It's not far away from. But just, you guys can't always expect wins all the time, right? Cannot expect wins from every win. Show my spreadsheet. All right, so what was I also gonna say? I had another thought in my head. Is that there's a fucking trash can, a dumpster truck driver outside my door making dude, that shit's loud as fuck. That's literally what wakes me up every time I'm actually sleeping. Whenever I get to actually fall asleep, there's like a fucking garbage truck driver that drives around. It literally just makes so much noise. You hear that shit from across the whole house. All right, Miguel Gomez said he wanted me to show his spreadsheet. Guys, so I usually go live on London session. If we have any Spanish speakers in here, or anybody who enjoys Miguel Gomez, who understands who Miguel Gomez is, like who have seen him in my live stream, etc. Miguel Gomez also has a little section in the Bullish Lifestyle. He's one of the owners of Bullish Lifestyle, to say, and he has a spreadsheet where you guys can go and check out the spreadsheet section and see how he has performed. This is his track record so far in New York session. If you guys can see, he trades the session of he took 3 trades in New York, 2 trades in London session. Sorry for that. ¿De dónde eres, bro? Soy chileno. Vivo en Miami. Nací en Chile. Viví mucha de mi vida en Chile, mucha de mi vida en Miami, pero soy Me considero chileno. And I mean, I am fucking, I'm gonna consider myself Chilean. I am fucking Chilean. And yeah, this is what Miguel's done so far. He also has hold. Guys, every bullish lifestyle trader has held an 80% win rate so far. Hi, I'm back. Did I miss anything? Voltex, you did not miss anything. I think this is like the third time I tell you that you did not miss anything. I missed something. Look, this is the S&P trade I was trying to call out. Blue. This is the gold trade I called out right now, literally like 10 minutes ago. Blue. This is the GJ trade I called out when GJ started melting. Blue. This is what else? I guess statistically speaking, my German 40 trade next week Monday, this is gonna hit. You guys remember it? Remind me, how's your German 40 doing? This thing will be all the way at the over here, boys. All the way over here. Remember that. Life goes on. Oh, don't cancel anything. So Miguel, guys, if you guys, what the purpose? I also, like I said, I'm gonna open another signal group that's gonna be just sending euro pair trades, guys. My point of bullish lifestyle is for you guys to just fucking like. There's people that I trust trading, very few. I'm not gonna have a whole bunch of traders on this shit like fucking posting a bunch of trades like left and right. We're gonna have me live streaming, Miguel live streaming, and I'm gonna have also another person that's gonna be anonymous and is gonna be sending a bunch of euro trades. Maybe you guys know who it is, maybe you guys don't. The point is not gonna be focused on the traders, mostly focused on what the trades are being sent. There's gonna be a bunch of euro trades being sent, and it's probably gonna be 1 euro trade a day. Whether it be euro NZD, euro USD. Sometimes there won't be a trade and there'll be analysis. And then therefore, after a week, 2 weeks of you guys watching what's going on, you guys will be able to decide, oh, maybe I'm gonna tune in today to Duncan's live stream because I like how he's been doing and I like the trade setups he's been taking. Maybe you guys go to Miguel's live stream and you're like, oh, Miguel's trading style has been super fire. His live stream trades have been also hitting. He trades because Miguel trades very different from I have. And Miguel, like if you guys check out a spreadsheet, guys, 80% win rate. Check out my spreadsheet. We also held an 80% to 90% win rate, as in like the win rates are there, the setups are there. Sometimes he takes a buy, sometimes I take a sell. Doesn't mean that we're fucking bad traders. It's just, you know, we all see different things. Our probabilities have to play out in different ways. And yes, that one will also be free. So you guys have me taking London session trades, GJ. I only trade GJ. So whenever you guys catch a trade for me, it's gonna be with GJ. The only thing I send is GJ. And sometimes I'll send maybe a fucking SPX trade because I like SPX during New York session. With Miguel is only gonna send GJ up to the moment. I don't think he's gonna be sending anything else. Most likely he's gonna be GJ. If he does switch it up, it'll probably be like GU, right? I don't think he'll be changing it up though. And then I'm gonna have a third chat, which is gonna be just, I think it's gonna be a Telegram chat. So on the Discord, you guys will be able to access me and Miguel, our live streams, whenever, etc., etc. Access our spreadsheets to see our win records, see how we're being tracked. And also, I want to have the euro pairs being set up, where I constantly, just like Dr. Dollar has like the DAX channel, the whatever channel is being sent. That he has a channel that does also very well and it's free. I want to have a euro channel where there's a bunch of euro pairs being sent, and constantly there's trades being sent there, and not just random trades. This is not a person that's going to be sending random stuff. I'm going to tell my really good friend, I'm going to tell him, look, anytime you take a personal trade on your personal account, send it as a signal. And anytime that you just have a setup that you like, just send the setup. And therefore, you guys will, and then at the end of like a few weeks, you guys will be able to be like, oh, Duncan's doing really well, I'm going to be able to check out his stream, or maybe I'm going to go learn how to trade the euro pairs and this guy's strategy makes more sense to me, or maybe you guys like the way Miguel's more dynamic with the buys and the sells, or maybe you guys like the way I keep my buys very constant. So like wherever you guys see like the best learning ability and the best confluence come is where you guys are going to be able to go and trade. So that all that's going to be open next week. Remember, next week, Monday, I'm going to be starting the live stream every day from 2 a.m. Eastern. I'm going to start the live stream at 2 a.m. Eastern, and at 7 a.m. that's 7 a.m. for you guys in London, mostly around the world, wherever the fuck you guys are. You guys figure that out. We're going to start the live streams with freaking Zooms, so make sure that you guys, if you guys want to be a part of the Zoom, you guys need to just make sure you have a camera, and if you guys want to be able to unmute yourselves and speak and not have a camera, just make sure that you guys have a good mic. If you guys don't have a good mic, I'm not going to let you guys, I'm not going to be like, oh, bye, get the fuck off, but I'm going to tell you, hey, can you mute your mic, please, and etc., etc., and we're not going to want to hear your trade breakdowns, we're not going to want to hear much. So if you guys don't also follow me on Instagram to be updated with all these things, guys, we also do hella giveaways all the time. So if you guys are new here, last week we literally gave away like $400. The week before that we gave away like $200. We're always doing giveaways. We haven't done any giveaways these last 3 days because I haven't even been on live stream. I missed my yesterday's live stream the day before. So, or I got off early on the day before, who knows, whatever. So my personal Instagram and the Bullish Lifestyle Instagram is right there if you guys want to be able to follow us through there. That's where I do all my announcements. If you guys will be able to see when we're going to do a giveaway, it'll be announced there. What else can I think of? If you guys want to see the spreadsheet directly, just save the link. You guys can also see my spreadsheet right there. The link will be in the description for the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet, you guys will be able to watch it whenever the fuck, and you guys will be able to keep updated. You guys can just save that link wherever and just open it wherever. And let me see what else real quick. Want to see something? Yo, it's coming. Integration timer. Oh, that's what I needed to do. Guys, if you guys want to get funded, you guys need to check out Level Up Society. Duncan is on a 1.2 playback mode. Guys, if you feel like I speak fast, I apologize. I'm just trying to get out all the ideas. And I think, guys, my brain runs at 1,000 miles per minute. That's why it's fucking hard for me to fall asleep for these London. Like, whenever I'm laying down at night, if I'm laying down and I put away my phone, I don't fall asleep. If I put away my phone, I cannot fall asleep. Why? Because my brain is thinking too much. It's just too active. I have too many things going on in my head, right? How do I fall asleep? I have to watch something and get distracted by it, where now my brain isn't actively thinking of things on its own. It's just watching and just like, so what do I do to go to sleep? I goddamn watch Animal Planet. If you guys open up my goddamn YouTube, my YouTube is mostly like Animal Planet and then golf videos, because golf videos get really boring. But there's just like a bunch of Animal Planet that I watch. Where's recommended for me? I mean, this is all recommended for me, but it's a bunch of fucking usually showing music and but like I'll watch my podcast or I'll watch goddamn Animal Planet, because watching those animals makes me fall asleep and I like animals. I know they're cool. But like when I'm fucking doing nothing, that's just impossible to fall asleep. I do not have a good time falling asleep. That shit's fucking whack. Animal Planet is mood or just like fucking, I don't know, Ancient Aliens or some shit. So suggestion, bro, can you put also on the overlay position correctly in? Wait, the overlay position is not correctly in? What are you talking about? Suggestion, bro, can you put also the overlay position correctly in? I only trade. Is it really out? I don't get what's wrong with it. What the fuck is wrong with the overlay position? Anything else I could think of? The funding, guys, and also if you guys are gonna buy challenges, actually just choose the fucking broker that you guys want. But if you guys do want to support your boy and you guys want to purchase a Leveled Up Society account, click one of these links below. For the rest of the month, there will be 85% payout and 15% off on all the challenges you buy. If you guys click on that link, it will take you to where you guys could purchase a challenge and check out you guys, first of all, check out the prices of these challenges. These challenges are butt cheap. So if a lot of people always pass the first challenge and fail their verification, go to a one-face challenge, do the cheapest one. A one-face challenge, $109, 15% off, guys. You're gonna be paying $95 for a fucking 10K account. That if you get lucky on one trade and pass it, you're funded with a $10,000 account. Now, if you do the two-phase on that $10 account, you guys will be at $89. You guys will cost you $90 minus 15%. You guys will be paying $85. Literally $85, fucking just for a fucking account. Leveled Up Society, I completely recommend. I do not think you guys are gonna get scammed out of payouts. I promise you that the payouts before, they might have been slow. Right now they're on point. I personally will, hopefully, I forgot to message Raul to tell him that people do not like the payout things. I will have a conversation with Raul, and hopefully I'll get the owner of Leveled Up Society to join my live stream. I will have a conversation with him. I've had multiple conversations with him where he gave me my own discount code and everything for you guys to use. If you guys want to use discount code PESO, you guys could also use discount code PESO. Discount code PESO also works. Just PESOO. Forgot to write that. Discount code PESO for additional. Sadly, I only got the 5% off. So if you guys want to check out the funding challenges, you guys could do that in the announcement section. Announcement section, you guys will find that. Damn, I copied. Can I copy the link? Copy message link. Beautiful. And then from here, if you guys want to click right there, it will take you there. Oh wait, I don't even know if that link will work. Hopefully it will. Oh no, that's not the message link I wanted to send. There you go. That's what I wanted to send to you guys. The cheapest challenges in the game. I recommend it. I promise you, you guys are not getting scammed out of money. There's nothing shady about the business. It's a very, very big business. Now, maybe it just barely started up, so it was a little bit slow at the beginning payouts. But that is definitely a very good recommended server. Prop firm. It's a prop firm that I am currently going to be working with. I'm currently, yeah. Make sure you guys join the Discord. Like I said, guys, we're getting like huge spikes of viewers randomly coming in. Guys, New York session is looking dead. New York session had a great pop off. This is the good trade that we called out at the beginning that flew. Gold retraced, and then we called out this one.
And then fucking GJ decided to keep on flying during New York session because it decided to consolidate the whole time. We're going to be live Monday starting literally at 7 a.m. for you guys. If you guys are in UK time, for me, if you guys are Eastern, I'm from Miami. We're over here fucking starting at 2 a.m. at night. So hopefully we see you guys all there next week. Anything that we left out, boys? Let me read the chat. I haven't read the chat in a while. Naz 100 entry, Duncan is on the 1.5. Put the video speed on 0.5. Fortune's trading prop firms out there. Fortune's trading the best prop firm out there. Do you use Xness? No, I don't use Xness. I'm sorry for reading your message late. Suggestion, bro. Can you put the overlay on the correct position? Why is my overlay not in the correct position? Yeah, we're going 1 hour before London Open. Yeah. Blodge, that's the new time. I blodged because I did not stay consistent this week. I made a promise to everybody. I made a promise specifically to my moderators that are the ones that always come back and forth. 2 a.m. right? This is my time. I'm gonna be here every single night, no matter what. You guys could be here at 7 a.m. You guys want to join late? You guys can join late, whatever. That's the time, and we're gonna start with Zoom. So if you guys want to have a camera on, have your mic on, we'll have all that working. It's gonna be perfect. Link will be sent obviously to the Discord as always. Let's see what this guy says. Yes, bro. Now I have a fun setup. Back test my results. Stop loss 40 pips. Total pips gained in May. Jesus Christ, 2,000 pips in May. April, another 2,000. Did GJ even move that many? Total trades 99. Wait, who is this? This is a guy that's using the bot. This guy said that he's using a bot and shit. I get so sketched out when people fucking send their profits and they don't send like the top. Like, what's the? I mean, I know some reasons, but what do you guys think is the reasoning for not showing when someone's in profit? Like, imagine somebody sends this P&L right here for all you guys paying attention. When they send the P&L and then they don't send like the equity up top. What do you guys get out of it? Do you guys get out of it that they just don't want you to see how much money they have there in their account? They don't want you to see that they're down. They don't want you to see that they're up. They don't want you to they have a private figure. Like, what do you guys get out of the fact that people hide this top part? Because it's a full margin trade, so people, because you think that it's an over leverage. So usually people get, so it's a bad thing because usually the excuse that I see from people is that they say, oh, I don't want people to see my account size because they're trading on a live account. I'm just wondering. We're just here asking questions. We ain't criticizing. Guys, that German 40 trade looks fucking OP. $100 lots, demo, falso, cap, demo, #1 rule. Yo, AJ's always on a different vibe. Oh, AJ's always on like we're on one page and AJ's like on completely like the 5th, 6th page already. #1 rule, don't give a fuck about what somebody says about you. I agree with that, but what does that have anything to do with what we're talking about right now? Or am I missing, or did I say something and I forgot? You won't be able to tell anyway if it was a demo. I know, right? So I don't get why they hide it. Detective Duncan, now I'm gonna bring out the double D. Bring out the double D, because I'm asking questions, boys. I'm asking questions. I have yet to see an EA. I have been trading for 6 years, boys. Like 5 years. I have yet to see, and I'm friends with the top of the people in the industry right now. How many pairs do you trade, bro? I only trade GJ, brother. I trade GBPJPY, and I only send 1 trade a session. I might take multiple trades a session starting soon due to the fact that I'm trying to. It's become like a taboo in the community. Cause you are not looking right. I just be vibing, Tom, to be honest. Cause you are not looking right. Best EA out there is Barca Savage EA or Daniel Savage EA. Look. Does anybody have any 100% proof that Daniel Savage EA works and has been doing good?
because I have been in the industry for 5 years. Great friends with all the people who are at the top. If you guys know who fucking Lambo Raul is, great friends with him. Daniel Savage, great friends with him. Dr. Dollar, fucking, this is my brother. Name it. I've seen all types of gurus come back, forward, left, right, works with I'll tell you now, when it comes down to me, I don't think there's any EAs out there. I don't know. Any EA, I mean, I think there's EAs out there, like they'll possibly make you money one day. But like, I don't know, I can also easily just fucking show you the results when I'm in profit and then not show you the results when I'm in drawdown. Like, guys, don't believe anything you hear and half of what you see. Don't believe everything you hear and half of what you see. Just because you see it, don't believe it, guys. I'm telling you. I've been in this industry for a fat minute. All these EA's licenses also, they all get suspended because they're all the same EA, brother. They all get suspended because they're all the same EA. There's one really rich person that has to start working. It starts working for 1 month. Then they give it to one person. In my opinion, they all got the same EAs. I'm not going to say any more names, and I'm not going to talk about the situation anymore because I don't want to shit on anybody's business. I'm just here to protect my fucking 50 viewers who are in here. Me? Don't touch EAs. Like, guys, like if there was robots that made people millionaires, why the fuck would they be selling you the robot? Why don't they just become millionaires themselves with the robots? Tell me that. Tell me. Why do I make more money individually trying to sell EAs to people one by one, instead of just goddamn fucking going and just overline like you know, just using it on my multiple accounts with all my money? Like, guys, it's not to shit on anybody's business. It's not to do anything but like, there's profitable EAs out there. Are they going to be consistently profitable? Are you going to get paid out on FTMO firms, on different prop firms with that EA? My knowledge is like I'm not the most experienced person when it comes to knowing about EAs and all that, but what I do know is that, dude, like, it's not that easy. This game is not that easy. Don't believe everything you hear and believe half of what you see. Just keep an eye out, guys. Please don't jump into crazy ass investments and like fucking think that your last $2,000 are gonna get. That's the reason I'm saying this, because I've seen people in this chat, no more name calling, because it's not only one person, it's multiple people in this chat that have asked me about these guys as traders, and I told them no-goes. They're no-goes, they're no-goes, they're no-goes. Then I don't know, some people listened to my advice, some people didn't, and etc. And it's like and then at the end of the day they come back and they're like, oh fuck, you were goddamn right. Like, well, maybe this shit is a little bit too good to be true. Whenever it seems a little bit too good to be true, it is. Look at that. We got Luca No Limit in the crib, in the house. Big Donkey. We have somebody that almost has my name, and we got Luca No Limit in the house. Everybody, show some love to Luca No Limit. Luca No Limit in the house, guys. I mean, Luca, I entered the fucking live stream late. I didn't get to live stream my fucking London session. Yo, we got a banger video coming out of Luca No Limit, guys. Did this video come out yet? No, I'm excited to see this video, guys. Make sure you guys go check out this video or put post notifications on for this right here. We got Parce Savage, Luca No Limit. We got some two goats, great conversation probably gonna have. There's a great game gonna be spit in this goddamn podcast interview. I don't know what you want to consider it. It's an interaction between two goats. Make sure you guys go and follow, give some post notifications. I'm telling you guys, when you guys want to be able to get profitable, when you guys want to get knowledgeable, like this is exactly what you guys need. When you guys want to be able to like start getting yourself in the world of trading and like starting to understand more, etc., you gotta listen to these great conversations that are had between people. Like, that's just free game. It's free game. It's fucking. But we want podcasts with peso. Dude, I'm pretty sure you guys are tired of hearing me talk. You guys hear me rant all fucking session. I don't think I go like more than 10 minutes without fucking saying fucking 20 sentences. Duo stream again soon. Guys, let's do a dual stream next week. So I'm starting next week, Luca. I'm gonna start doing some Zooms. So I'm gonna definitely send you some Zoom invite links whenever, and you guys could join, and you could join whenever, and send me some Zoom invite links, and we just join on each other's shit whenever. And yes sir. Bullish lifestyle, Luca No Limit. We gotta do another one. Guys, make sure you guys go follow your boy Luca No Limit. Go post notifications on for the podcast that's going to come out with Parce Savage. He has some great podcasts in there with multiple people. He has a podcast there with Dr. Dollar. If you guys want to check out with Dr. Dollar, he has a podcast where Dr. Dollar also... I wasn't even live streaming or mentoring at the time, and Luca No Limit had a conversation with Dr. Dollar. I think this is one of my favorite ones right here. And Dr. Dollar out here, he shouts out Bullish Lifestyle when Bullish Lifestyle wasn't even completely open. 4 months ago, he shouted out Bullish Lifestyle. He shouted me out, and Dr. Dollar tells about the story of how I got Dr. Dollar into trading. A lot of people don't know that, which is but yeah, that's crazy how the world works. Oh look, we're both wearing pink here. I think this is actually where he shouts out Bullish Lifestyle. If I'm not wrong. I can't hear anything on the podcast. But what I do know is that
hey, there you go. Shout
yeah,
out.
dude, these conversations are all great. You get to hear the backstory of a lot of things. You get to see a lot. It gives you great perspective. These conversations get great perspective.
It was a balcony,
especially because
over the beach.
I'm pausing real quick. Luca fucking knows how to trade himself. Luca's been in the game for a fat minute. So when it comes down to somebody asking questions, it's not a random person asking questions. It's somebody who knows what the fuck to ask and somebody who understands like what the fuck is going on in the conversation. A lot of people that don't trade, it's hard for them to fucking ask these type of questions and actually get some good like knowledge going out with us. Because you can't be bullshitted. You can't bullshit a fucking somebody who knows how to trade. There's no bullshit in these conversations.
Motivational shit, yeah.
No, and it's the real shit. So we were looking over the beach, and then he started talking about, oh, I just got this many pips. And I'm like, what the fuck is a pip, right? And I was like, what are you talking about, bro? Like, and then he just started telling me, he's like, bro, it's Forex. It's like you buy low, sell high, like simple shit, you know? And then after that day, bro, I got super hooked, bro. I got right back home, bro. As soon as I got home, I was like, God damn, bro.
I don't hear what's going on. But that was a little sync preview. I don't even know if I showed anything valuable. I need to fix this fucking, hey, you're lit, bro. Appreciate you. I try to ask good questions. Yes, sir. No, dude, you're fucking awesome. I love your fucking, the content that you produce out there. And easy bench, free run for Luca, my boy Luca No Limit in the house. Is it advisable to trade 4 pairs? Well, look. When you first start trading, it is advisable for you to do as many mistakes as you want. When you first start trading, if you want to start trading for 4 pairs, the way I started trading, this was my watch list from when I started trading actually. I'd go pair by pair, I'd check out the time frame, I'd draw my analysis, and then if I liked the analysis, I would throw a buy. Go to the next pair. Analysis, I wanted to sell. Next pair. Analysis, I love this buy. Analysis, next pair, and then by the end of the session, Echo. Oh. I apologize for that. I apologize. Do I recommend trading multiple pairs? I am not sure. I think that when you already know about trading a lot and you've already experimented with many pairs, like I think you need to experiment with many pairs before you switch to 1 pair. I first started trading with multiple pairs. I'd go from pair to pair to pair, just putting analyses and then seeing which ones would hit. Right? Or I would go to analysis, and then according to the pair that I like look the best. Like imagine GBP right now looks the best. I like bull flag, down channel, side channel, up channel. It's a fucking 0618 retracement, 0618 on the dot, 0618 retracement right there. You see, the more you trade fibs, you don't even need to throw them to fucking know where the price is. And then I would just go pair by pair and throwing. So like I would trade multiple pairs when you first start, right? Once you already understand what it is to create a strategy, once you already know what it is to fucking risk, once you understand how it feels to be in a trade and risk money and then feel the psychological battle of wanting to take close earlier, et cetera, that's when I would start saying, all right, now this is where you need to start creating more constant variables, right? Don't give yourself a setup where you have, don't give yourself a situation where you have multiple variables that you have to manage, right? What do I mean with constant variables? I only trade 1 pair. I only trade 1 session. I only take 1 type of setup. I only look at I'm limiting all the mistakes and I'm limiting all the factors that bring my probabilities down to becoming a profitable trader and hitting my trade. So make sure this is a game of probabilities. Find those variables that make your probabilities go down and limit those variables, make them constant variables, right? And once you do that, that goes to the saying of trade less than 4 pairs, less than 5 pairs, you know, trade 1 or 2 pairs, take 1 or 2 trades, you know, look at 1 or 2 setups. Bullish Lifestyle. Maybe we can try to run up a small account next week with the team. No ease, some pressure off taking the challenge trades. We'll do something fun. We're gonna do something fun like that. We're gonna focus on the challenge because I don't want to shy away from the challenge because I'm excited to do the challenge, especially because there were some people that were down in the challenge. Therefore, I am very excited to do the challenge. I'm not gonna shy away from it. We're gonna destroy it next week. And after that, 500 to 100K. Those things are interesting to do and they're fun to do on live, but they're very different from like imagine me on a 500K on a $500 account. I'm most likely fucking throwing the largest lot size I can on the first trade. And I've never ran up account to 100K. So like I said, nothing to shy away from, nothing to hide here. We're being fully transparent. I don't know if I could run up account to 100K.
Never regret a day in your life. Good day. Oh, I love this. Never regret a day in your life. Good day give happiness. Bad day give experience. The worst day give lesson, and the best day give you memories. Lost my emotions while trading today. Lost enough. Damn, brother. That's not what I wanted to hear. I was about to hear something beautiful. Look, if you first started trading, I'm telling you the reality of this. You're not going to become profitable within the first week, first 2 weeks, first 3 weeks. First weeks, take as many losses as you can. Take as many losses. Get tired of losing, because that's how you're going to start winning. Get tired of losing. Get tired of making the same mistakes that you keep on making one day and then the next day and the next day. Get tired of doing that things when you hop into the chat, when you hop at 200K. Yo, Votex, chill, bro. Now I'm getting nervous. Now you're getting me nervous. Take losses on a demo. Yeah, I mean, take losses, dude. Take losses. Take losses where you could afford them. Take losses where you could afford them. If you could afford them on a demo account, you could afford them on a demo account. If you could afford some losses on a goddamn live account, you afford. Like, that's the way I learned how to trade, boys. I didn't learn how to trade from fucking joining live streams only and just like fucking watching, and then out of nowhere, boom, I became a magical trader just like Blodge did. Like, we don't all got what Blodge got, and we don't all got what Van Post got, you know? As in, like, bro, I became a profitable trader due to the fact that I've lost so much, learned here, and the thing is that I came back after I lost. After the first months of trading, I lost a whole bunch of money. I came back. After the first 3 months, I came back. After the first 6 months, I came back. After the first year, I came back. After that year, I came back. After that, I sticked around to the game. 4 years down, we're still in the game, and that's when you start, like, you're like, oh fuck, this is, and then it's in that process, within that process, that you start finding out, like, you start seeing what it takes to actually be profitable, and then it comes up to you to decide whether you're gonna do what it takes to be profitable or not. Because a lot of people know, hey, I overtrade every fucking night. Nonetheless, they're not disciplined enough, and they're not consistent enough to keep on fucking showing up every night and then being disciplined that night. Like, it's not about only being disciplined, because you could be disciplined, but you can't just be disciplined one night. It's about being disciplined consistently, you know? So it all goes both ways. It all goes both ways, as in the sense of losing is not bad. Don't get upset because you lost. Just make sure that when you go to the charts the next week, you don't repeat those same mistakes. That's the one thing I don't want you guys to do. I don't mind if you guys lose. I don't mind if you guys blow accounts. That's the way you guys learn. That's the truth of it. If you guys are in this chat room right now and you're like, damn, I really want to be a profitable trader. I really want to be at the top of the game, and you really want to do it, you're going to be fine with that. You're going to be fine with the fact is that you're going to fucking lose. At the beginning, you're going to lose. You're going to be fine with that fact. If you're not fine with that fact, and you're like, fuck, and you're thinking right now, this guy's speaking bullshit, I know I can do it, I know I don't want to lose, etc., then the chance that I see of you being that top dog trader, I don't know one top dog trader that did not lose fucking everything. There's not one trade. Like, I don't know any. There's no way you get really good without fucking thoughts about smart money concepts. I don't know. Smart money concepts are like trading like the banks. I'm just kidding, dude. Well, I don't even know. Like, I have friends that trade SMC concepts, smart money concepts. But what the fuck does that even mean, dude? Smart money concepts, bro? Like, bro, that's the same thing as when I tell you guys that this break and retest right here, this is break and retest this is resistance that now is support. So this is a break and retest, right? Just like this is a smart money concept. Like, this is not smart money. Like, this is the same thing that I'm trying to say. This break and retest on a different perspective, right? This break and retest is also a Fibonacci long. Look, impulse, Fibonacci long, respects the 382 bullish run. So in one person's eyes, this is a break and retest. In another person's eyes, this is an impulse and correction. In another person's eyes, this is a goddamn fucking higher low, lower low, whatever the fuck. This is an impulse correction, as an impulse right here, upside. And then we got a correction phase right here, correction, right? Smart money concept, market structure. Then we had another impulse, and then we're gonna have another correction, right? They're all the same thing. We're all looking at the same thing. This is all the same thing, right? So what am I trying to say right now with the smart money concepts thing? It's just the way you look at the market. Like trading SMC concepts, and then trading what the banks trade, and trading how the institutional traders trade. It's all the fucking same thing. We're all looking at the goddamn same chart. They're all the same patterns. They're just looked at in a different perspective. A break and retest is the same thing as an impulse correction. Is the same thing as a Fibonacci long. They're all the goddamn same. Just really depends on how you want to look at it. So What I start risking 40% on low account and 50% and win. I know the SMG traders. We full margin. Oh yeah, we on that. All right, we can have 100 with it, but we start with the 10, and we start with the first trade. We deposit another 10. We have 100 there. Boom, it can be done. That's some smart money things, bro. Abdul Malik. I hope that I opened your mind a little bit into the world of trading. I hope I'm not giving you any fake promises. I'm just trying to be as fully transparent as possible and trying to give you the best knowledge possible without lying to you and without trying to offer you a goddamn, without being like, oh guys, I can make you some profitable traders. Why don't you need to do? Purchase my EA. Purchase my EA and your life will change, boys. Just purchase my EA and your life will change. I'm telling you. Just fucking or fuck that. You don't need to purchase my EA. Just let me do it for you. Let me pass your challenges. Everybody just send me over your account credentials. Send me over your fucking couple $1,000 and I'll pass some challenges for you guys. I'm not trying to do that. I'm not trying to do any of that. Buy my course now. $2,000. It's a steal. Steal. Anybody that's trying to get profitable right now, they're not fucking creating, they don't want to buy a $2,000 course, then you don't really want to get profitable. JP Savage is that guy. Guys, I went to school. Did I tell you guys I grew up with JP Savage? I mean, I grew up with most of these guys, but I went to school with JP Savage. I love JP Savage so much. JP Savage is literally just like, I love just watching him be him. Watching JP Savage be him, it makes me happy. He's just so like he's just so happy. One's in the chat, if you know what I'm talking about, when he would be like, guys, 230 pullback. This is just a 230 pullback, and I'm not making fun of him. I fucking love him. I love him to the death, dude. 230 pullback. Who remembers JP Savage's 230 pullbacks in London session? The crack FX. You agree with that? He's a funny ass guy, or you agree with the? Did JP actually steal your girl? That's probably something JP would do. Bro, Messi's gonna play in Miami. You can see him play every week. Bro, the tickets for Inter Milan. Wait, next M30 will fly, right? Dude, for a GJ, this next 30-minute candlestick. So whoever said that, you actually have a good perspective on what's happening. Yes, this looks valid for a next 30 minutes to fly. Now, fly, I don't know why. London session is over and it's Friday. London session is over and it's Friday. So for the chance for this trade to play out right now and actually fly, like the only thing I could see it happening is going up to ultimate resistance, guys. So what do we do? It's the end of the week. What do we do at the end of the week, guys? You do this on every trade. Make sure you guys are doing this on every trade. If you're not doing this on every trade, you're missing out. Go to the weekly. Weekly should be closing by the end of this session, right? London session closed already at 25 minutes ago. Nonetheless, I don't think this weekly candlestick is closed yet. But this weekly candlestick needs a closure. So you have to be thinking about, where is this weekly candlestick going to close, right? Support and resistance act like magnets. So we got resistance here, another resistance and support here. And then I guess the last one will be under here, right? We don't got to go too far back down. This is the zone we're in. So it's like, all right, we have support and resistance. Are we going to break past this ultimate resistance and go to like the next magnet that's all the way up here? Probably not. We don't have enough volume for that. Now, are we going to come back down and touch this magnet? I mean, London session closed. There's still not a lot of volume, but the only thing I could possibly see is a retracement in between this range zone. And then under that, we have this level right here. But nonetheless, GJ, there's no more trades on GJ. When it comes down to gold, also gold, I think the volatility. This was a great sniper entry for whoever the fuck actually took this trade when I called it, or called it in quotations, whatever the fuck you want to call that. Yeah, boys, we're gonna start ending the fucking live stream totally soon. Wait, totally agree. That's the type of buddy you never thought you needed. That's so funny. JP Savage is the type of buddy you never thought you needed, but you glad you had. Yes, sir. Dude, that's so funny. Dude, I had an awesome time coming to live. Guys, next week we're gonna be streaming 2 a.m. on Monday. 2 a.m. for the Eastern time people, Miami boys, Eastern boys. 7 a.m. for the people that are around the world. 7 a.m. UK time, London time. 1 hour before London session. Basically, we're going to be here the whole pre-London. We're going to be live streaming, and we're going to be on Zoom, and we're going to be calling out live trades, 1 trade a day. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys join the link in the description, which is where you guys are going to be able to find the Discord, where you guys find the Discord. Wow, I turned off the music a long time ago. I didn't know I was in fucking complete silence. You guys are going to be able to join the link in the description. You guys will be able to, if you guys are new here, you guys will, sorry for repeating this for everybody who isn't new here, but just in case, spreadsheet section. If you guys go to the spreadsheet section, you guys will be able to see all the trades that I have called out on this Discord. You guys click on the link. You guys click on that link on the top right here. This link will take you to my spreadsheet. You guys will be able to see all the trading records that we have had. These are all the trades that we have taken in April. 9-win streak that we did in April. This is a 10-win streak we did in May, right after the 9-win streak. We have taken 21 wins, 5 losses, 7 break-evens. I don't shy away from anything. So we actually took 6 losses because one of the losses were taken on live stream but was not sent to the Discord. So when I put 21 wins and 5 losses, this is just everything that has been sent to the Discord, right? Because there was a loss that I took on live stream that I didn't consider it into the Discord. Nothing to hide here. We've been fully transparent. Look at the free chat if you guys want to. All right, hey guys, next week we're gonna try to run up all the small personal camera, team and some pressure. That looks like a pretty complicated topic. All right. Money thing right there, guys. Thank you guys for joining the live stream. Thank you guys so much. That's why I stick with stocks. This Forex game is too shady. Forex, only a few are real. Young AJ, I love you, AJ, so much. AJ, thank you so much for fucking always helping out the fucking stream and bringing your fucking awesome personality here and just helping me moderate the chat. We got to show some more appreciation for AJ around here. 30 minutes actually flipping bush. Oh shit, this would, dude, this GJ trade, if this was like pure London session trade, this would look amazing. Why? Because price is trickling downwards, is making this reversal wedge. This is looking great for longs. High key. Boys, thank you guys so much for joining the fucking live stream. Literally, thank you guys so much. I apologize for not being here for London session. I apologize for not being here before. I promise you we're going to be here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, every single day, pre-London, all the way through, maybe not all the way through New York, maybe not all the way through London, but we're going to catch our trade of the day and we're going to keep it moving. We're going to bring back that fucking energy that we had when we were fucking slaughtering it the week before. Slow week today, slow week this week. I'm glad that I'm showing you guys that we're not gonna be always living up to the standards where we're always like fucking top of the fucking line, just slaughtering it left and right. It's the reality of trading, boys. There's ups and there's downs, and there's not always like, you're not always on point. I don't feel like I was on point. I feel like I could have been way better. I feel like I could have done way better. Don't we all feel that though, right? Don't we all feel that? The only thing we can do now is go reflect and act on that reflection. If we just reflect and we don't act, then it's just a thought. It's not even a reflection. The reflection comes to when you fucking create like a plan around like what you're reflecting on. Like, I know that my execution has been off. I know that this has been off. I know that my timing has been off. Maybe I'm getting on the market a little bit too late. You know, I'm gonna reevaluate everything that I'm doing. I'm gonna come back to the market. I'm gonna try to avoid those exact mistakes. I'd rather make a mistake making the I'd rather make a mistake on Monday doing the exact opposite of what was making me mistake than make a mistake repeating the same mistake. I don't know if you guys got confused there, but I don't want to repeat the same mistake. I'd rather take a loss, not repeating the same mistake. So on Monday, if we trade, we're going to trade early. Why? Because I lost trading late and I keep on missing trades trading late. If I lose trading early, I don't give a fuck. Why? Because it's not the mistake that I made last week. New mistake. No same mistakes that we make last week. Change it up. You know, don't make the same mistake. Frank, you are a beast, brother. Frank, you're one of the goats here, brother. Manny, you are on my good side now, Manny. I promise you, Manny, we're going to talk about what we need to talk about. And I don't need to tell everybody else in the group chat because I fuck with you, Manny. Thank you so much, Manny, for coming and supporting the live stream. You told me you would be gone, Manny, and you came back. So you have my heart. You have my heart, Manny. Shout out to Jay de la V for always, dude. Jay de la V, muchas gracias por todo, bro. Te pasas demasiado con ayudar con lo del stream, con lo ayudar con lo del IP, con ayudar con todo, bro. Te pasas demasiado. Muchísimas gracias. I truly appreciate all you guys that fucking help me all the time. Like Sentry also. Sentry, salutes to you. My hats go off. Hats go off to you guys. Have a great weekend. Make sure nobody's in no trades right now. Make sure nobody catches anything crazy. Don't even hop on this long if it even looks beautiful. AJ, have a great week, man. Van Post, keep on doing your thing, brother. I love it. I love the energy you bring. Bring great fucking energy, Van Post. Votex, we'll get you. We'll do that FTMO 200K challenge one day, brother. Abdul, hope you come next week. What is he? Luca No Limits. He's not in here anymore, but Luca No Limit came to show some love. Luca No Limit wants to do a Bullish Lifestyle podcast. Guys, I have a podcast I'm actually doing today. I have a podcast that I have to do today. I have somebody who asked me to do their podcast, and I don't know who the dude is. I don't know if I should do it, though. I kind of told the dude, yes, I'll feel horrible not doing it. I have a podcast that I have to do. Yo, AJ, recommendation, AJ. If you put your word behind somebody's EA or somebody's service, and that service goes to shit, it kind of your reputation goes to shit. So just careful wherever you put your. Oh wait, I was all the way at the top. Wait, was I all the way at the top? Yeah, I was reading the wrong message. My bad, EJ. I saw something about Barca Savage bot is the best though. Careful who you like. I think I fucking love that dude. That dude's a big baller. That dude's one of the big goats. Just I don't know. It gets risky when you start telling people that this is actually good and this is not good. Because then when it doesn't go good, it's like, oh yeah, that was the guy that it is for me now, gang. All right. There's a podcast I need to do. How do I find it? Look at this. Hey mate, I have Lambro Golden Owl that passes with an account. All I got so far is in case you're interested. Just people try to sell people's fucking. If it was so OP, do you think people would actually be trying to sell it? Alright. I'm trying to find the guy that I have to do the podcast with. I can't find it. I want to show you guys his profile. Tell me guys what you guys thought. Maybe it's on my personal account. Who knows? Fuck it. Boys, thank you guys so much. Yeah, I'm kind of tired. I got really not much more. Wait, am I limit trading in 3 pairs and study the? All right, next week would be better. I'll limit my trading pairs to 3 and study them religiously. I just go to close friends with Barca that I work with EA that use the EA for live management. I just got close friends with Barca that I work with that use the EA for live management. Have a good one, brothers. Love you all.